efisha pinu ene adunu emiensan mu kedi ampo Nyankopon wodi ene diniye sata chemada bodue mu bote die mu ofusani de yentimi company Anope yemfas da PSC fama Beto Bakwasi Chumesi Mandela Wani the finance minister Efia Chiamprutia Anabedi de Efia Chia Abruwa Anope omudi no siaka siaba besomo ye MC Jojo Adesin Kofi Aristotle the confidence the great one more day apramason samaba besom a person sees in Kunyania don't pay you to say media some war. One can assam. But when you are manga, when there's a mudu boat you cobra my buy. You see whom Kunya. Oh, my woman. I don't pay my more penny and not truck drivers in my country for your chachamo. Taxi drivers in my country for your chachamo. Maybe I know Pewuti and Kabia Yebusasa upon me to say. Yaji di pass o twedi ampada Roma bibia eboko Jada no pay him say what their boss for do ko school Sahi etema Abusu an ensam wo pa Se je ko ojebo Enura emra se bedwa abo amane se About to commission and Yanshe na a sin of by election Ebraso Elho. It is said, Yera James Jechi Quasin. I know Supreme Court of Kind. I'm not sure so at the episode. And I'm a Yukua, one was a fata, say one co place a jano, one gusua, one more ayo. Oku jeto abrakwa. Utini this an idea about Junimu. My controversial may pass him. Yes, I know Becano. A full Franso Becase. Wabuamo mano and no maybe a hintano. But the expose I would do a babon tene. As a grab, I could be a cocoa ya. Papa Sofrika said, watch the contempt. I don't say to me, Amfa. Okujato a black was a gun, Jessica 50.814 million US dollars. A faculty coin akogura cathedral ni mu a. I'm not sure the phone no money should believe. Hey, na cathedral ba ku cathedral. Yeah, semo. Wasu omanjisika ni enugu cathedral no mu. Because they say Ghana ya manhole kesi ya pa ya pothole kesi ya wo ya cathedral no. Ayo kuje to the passem. Ana de wo ka no. E kwan ba ko ana mienu bi so no. Se Ghana 14 no mtie ni ya ebetumi aye no kra na. Na Bank of Ghana say one o disika se mu dwa. Titru amanonisika no a. Yes, sir, and ye cocotono. Bank of Ghana say etiamra. Etu ya who say will be sisika will be tosika ya foreign money, foreign currency. The Bank of Ghana for money, Emo Munkachi womo. The Bank of Ghana person kaje anaro pese wo munim baby e dise aduano. No na do pay ya ne so ko kanche wo mo se monko black market. Bank of Ghana so tete sabe bo wo mama ne ehunu bi sa se obi foreign currency bi obi ton ana obi sisa wo ba yate ye ba ba bo mama ne na abadwafo bɛboa yɛ ne atranse na yɛ di nsɛm yi nkɔmɔ yɛbɛbɔ bra no ɛyie na yɛbɔne yie a yɛne ayɛ nyamu ɛkyɛfa ɛnso ebi saa pɛpɛɛpɛ ɛna ɛteɛ
tema futu sam kakre wa supreme yo kofi o man ya woman o man ya mama kenyi baby akọ wacha ta ya waren wonsom wanini pa asa de pa wo fi oye ya mo yembera ye ebe ya
na anopay mystic of Open Eye Church eye bibimai so the grace ya principles eda no no se yanka nche wo se se wo ye bibini na wo bibimai a e ma ne haw na onyankopon wo ho no ade bi a wo ye bia no eya no onim emfasode e wo so ene de befiri mu aba enu nti wade ye bedua ha wa ma yaka de ne ahodu anoma ahodu opia ye de bebo ye ho ebra wama ye nsuo kwa ye atwa ye ho ahia no ma hodo bebrebe na so dipo ye bibini si de nyame de ma no no enye eye tetesem eye abosomsem ene ye ne na grace ya se amamre ne abakosan ye ntontwene bra no nchechew senti a wankasa kwa abrabo entumi nkoso no ebi a do oni abudu oni esuase obi na eye wo enso na enye obi a oba obekyerem se wo yare na adudu bra eka ho nusi ne amaka ho a enye bone na kosia da be ye sumnum yenu ahomanate no na ekosi adopa na osia ye meditation ya dwudwu wo twedi ampon yitumi ne kase ye ho na anopa no wotwe ekosi ada ekono ya ye ncheche kase emu dopa de amount no no babu amu ho se we bibini a wonye mfonso ekwan bia eso na da ye friend se ukuada wasa atrase na wona wo hiam wo ahodo no wokọ wo no emwa ubi sase mystic of Open Eye Church e wo fahin ye wo Trade Junction ho ye wa ye adwuma adopo be free 0594 226084 0594 226084 and I say 0596 083961 ofra ye beje oso ma menkan for Gismo Herba emfa emam ye say clinic in the bottle na sa Gismo Herba ya ye ka ho asem yi abusua unya bia ebe papa yalwa hodo a etuo anase esa no enye anu bi enie eye siche yade na etete wo kidney wo sabo nwaka cancer HIV fibroid ulcer etete wo sasabo na aka ho sade ado so etwom wodi ebrabeto bi sa wo kra na etete wo a anase wunya wo a sa Gismo Herba ya ye ka ho asemi onu mabekọ akọ hudu ni pedua ni nyam so oye oba na bema na de ahoto abrel enunti tuwo anamon fa woni che Trade Junction ubenya bi anase oba agenkwa efemfidua mu a afia tia brodua the finance minister obema wonsa akan freye 0244 78 1835 0244 781835 na 0549226084 ofra yebe jewo so na Oil Group Incorporated ene nei wonom se wo twedi ampo nyankopon aye bi ama wonom pa ni nyina ne se Mountain of Wonders ene mfinhia du na se mfinhia du ya Mountain of Wonders enyen se bi nyu obi akra na etikuo ada otu anamo bi a afekra beto so obehu ana agu enuntu sabre ya Mountain of Wonders enyen mfinhia edu eno na Oil Group Incorporated eboa won ma amemfihie du afahye no won mo de tintim so enunti wasi free 1st June wachina edey yakwa homa so na yedu onwiamfo samsedu teku engwatwetwe nkomo na no pe yakra se de wiem sacha yebesi akono wontwamfonyi enche ye miwra teku temenka memwatem wakwa aba haya agenkwa 1.9 kasapidie so akra
Abiana ba medio so
miwra ne fie boko
Abiana ba de na dawo ade bi achi oje li mo ku chane finance minister so ti na jom nti ye be fa ne tra
Sapepe, yes, I did here. I'll pray about when tell Bobby Shan, dear, and now I say we are born and live young boy pa. And the people will hope you are young anyone without my you.
You mean that. My cosmat here at your putting my answer said, and so a women ever year. And a pay the pop Ghana and our from a coaster on. Na coaster on and say, if we are from number because we talk about it. Just including class of place. Sometime on yet in the day, and crime bottom of a council. There we are not so other fun about it. As other funny family. Now on to Abbo, and then went to a moving cacta. I have any organ and do system up one night and then go to town and town. And I'll pay a bon one and you bring any good to you know. I will never breathe. I will probably be the proposal more than you are no bedding. A bon one or at the time. Meaning, you know, and you know, any one no more and you are brave. And there we are never more. I am not any more to move from a class. But they are my night. That they are walk a class apart from me. Name of the Suma for an eye and my people to do back for me. On a walk voter region, anyone I walk at Water Lake, Muslim, and soon be as better to go home. If none I didn't I walk a clan, I don't play any organ of his Nicomatin, I am so any the other. And the in so be any one, we are one and double, not as a son and then a doctor.
When for your better say, and there's what you bring at that year for ye, they actually a no, Bibini na Yantiasia, and I should be a Bessibiano, or may near for Aswato, for one count, you may deem it. When we have for some said, you take Kunya and China couldn't come more, now you must such a watch for ye at the Achaye. Not Baker Oil Group Incorporated. I want to say, Mountain of Wonders and Vinci do. To a new Eshamufa. A year was China 1st June, and not June 1st, and the Jumediano one more day shall see it. Nachano almost shall see a cocosi 3rd June, but shall see and run on night could see and run on che. What they are drawn to as a da and what they Emma or Che Diampon. Now there you could see that warrior Jumediano dear, a year 4th June, or by shall see an opano song at one. Na panyi kofa ba ya dwumedi esi ni na so aye prophet TK Samuel wono ana dwumedi no esi ni na so ensenti da so no wo se Ebenezer wo yifri odifo Samuel ngumedi kan etinso yimu dumienu kosi dumiensa 1 Samuel chapter 7 verses 12 to 13 eho no yifri ye akasafo bi a wono bekasa ewo dwumedi ase Aye, Dr. Makam Watson USA, Prophet Francis Ajima USA, any Yankopon Asomfo, Mani member Kukudam, and a 1 minute. What do you mean? Better you made the echi, the jum dear than be fiegu, papa, as I sober from Bibinia over fraying. That was our mobile for issue 0240187979, 0240187979, now says 0242. 1821 ofra yabejo som na dwumedie no koso ewo Kumase ebuakwa macro na Kisa junction enkawe kwantempon so eho na dwumedie no ebekoso a odo hudimu a ubeye nhira epa ama bibia ye kama Skin City Laboratorium na enei wose yankanchira wo se opese usiesie owedie ema wedie no eye no menome wedie no eye sotche ame yehu se wo be ni be mani Skin City Laboratorium ho na wo de wani ebekire na wo kọ uyo obi a pimple agidi pedua no aboso wedie na ye wichi ewia hyewa wojo ho ba bia enya Skin City Laboratorium ene bebemu se nenso obeya ye wakwa my catch se nenso obe no ye ntonku keke mfa nsama nko treatment na ye de ema wo edibla na ye mwa ye wo tech mazima ye ne affordable housing main gate ehwe animu pe ho na ye wo a ye di dwuma frɛ 0248 93 62 97 0248 93 62 97 o frɛ yɛ ne a yɛbɛgye so. Priority insurance say ebere bia wo wafa ono ne kɔ na kana abusua abrabɔ ne board ne wo de hwɛsɛ wunye japaje bi kura emfihia dodo a wodi nyaaye da ko penya afiri wonsa eti ya abɔ ho ban ɛno na priority insurance be mu na ɔbɛbɔboa wo wɔyɛ third party insurance, comprehensive insurance, commercial property insurance, fire and motor insurance nyano wɔyɛ bi ɛwɔ wɔn akache ɛno nti bra na ɛne wɔn ɛmɛyɛ adwuma wɔwɔ Swami Matia Junction Tobinko Plaza dano agenkwa FM no emuwa na priority ɛwɔ wo frɛ no anopain 0244 56 23 34 0244 56 23 34 na yaje oso kama Twins Powers wase ntafo tumi na abusuya Twins Powers ayeka no asemi emwa wode abo nipa dodo asetra ne abrabɔ mu asetra ne abrabɔ ndu ba bia na hu senka na kwakɔ bibia ɛwo hɔ abrabɔ ne yese de onipa da sani wo so obɔ ne bia wo bɔ obeso otu kwan wa ya emfa usikasem enkoyie wadwuma efiri wonsa yade ka wachi obi ji wajapade Twins Powers sepra ye wa abrepo broni krom aho ne ye adwuma adwada ya no pa no nsia kosi anwe no nsia ebrada no pa no nsia kosi awiadumienu efiada no pa no nsia kosi anwe no nsia ana memenda no pa no nsia kosi awiadumienu for Twins Powers 0248 69 9898 0248 69 9898 Twins Powers was in Tafo to me. Na House of Glory Ministry Pastor George Newman da no say enei se wo pe bia kotie Nyankopon asem a ye nye bukata ema woni su miliwa e House of Glory Ministry one also do ani che ya Kronoma Francho police station achipe Kronoma Francho police station achipe ho ne ye adwuma ana yeso kosi ada no pa no nkron kosi awie dumienu pemu a divine service na ye de ebrewo ifia de bia na watwemienu eso eye watch night anase all night dumedie mpai bo a no wode ne pa na ye de eba ebesom menyankopon tumi ne kesi yo eda adi ewonyame emaso kosi ada bia nwume no wotwe kosi nwume no nkron no Pastor George Newman di nyame asem trodo efa agenkwa 101.9 kasafidie so na wode bre nyame ma enyina enunti eye TV bibi ni a fre Pastor George Newman 0549 85 2602 0549 85 2602 na waje so obehwe aboawo amebibia akoyi e de amam Prestige Electronics say yankan chew say open home appliances e de do dwuma say TV says if it 32 inches equal 65 inches so bra yakache ya de ne ye papa ya wo to ade no na ye che wade enunti eba no sa ebeboa wo pa ye wo fridges deep freezers nketwa ne akese ye wo home theater sound bar washing machine ni nya wo benya bi wo to ade wo ye ho a etimi to kettle iron blender rice cooker toaster and as a pen drive umpewe ede na wo pe Prestige Electronics ye wo Abrepo Junction shipum eho ene ye wa ye adwuma ya sa bi enkrabata ni bi wa atonso agogo ye ne adanse rural bank no ene hwe animu to manfo a won bo Kuwait esreso ade jafe yiase ekono anu mu betimi de moni ache adanse rural bank ya ewo atonso agogo hwe animu pe eho na Prestige Electronics ye bi ye enkrabata ni bi ewo 0553 31 94 55 and I say 0243 41 48 22 na yaje oso na yene wo aye adwuma nti home appliances papa de eho na ube nya bie adusa Herbal Center was madansie ni adusa adi nromiensa na de abadwa so adusa herbal capsules ene ne mixture with the ensuo no bedom to paye no se usisi ene ye wo ya waposo sasabro etetew koko edi wani wojo ho ba bia enyi eje adwuma wo nompem entini ene widie no mu ebebo apa be ma waye mle wo mpem koko etetewa obabu nsa utwadwadwo a eyadusa herbal mixture ene capsules ena eboa wo yakwa homa no so na yenya adwuma bimra ye ne Isaac Amankwa enkodi nkomo emfiri oboase yense ntwoni wo ho na yenya ntiye se adihie bi ko se nkeja sabe ya won sabe ko anu nti okopefo magudie kakra akwagodie amenem se de wonsem sitie no wontwamfonyi encheye Isaac Amankwa wotemenka memwache mwakwa ba haya agenkwa wazo 1.0 kasefdie so asante mantem kumas
mini ha mejo so
mi wura na fie bokode
bokonso nya bokonso awadaro
yenya ntie se asem bi asi wa bra adihie bi e wodwe se wo mko angogo wono mo adamenem na nka wakwa so benya sika akọ kakra asase no akata won to kwan ofa so koye no wontimi fa so mpie wada ma wo na wo oboase boye nchemu esam sese yakwa akosise
na mini asene amote ye no ayesa pepepe na etie wani kiremu ewo oboase ye wo brono bi afa ni se anwem ehonom no eye brono a eye omopen eye Anglo da Shanti womo eye gate da ko bi afa ni se kodo omopen ho ye papa na no eye fiada no na chesembrante kwa prefu wonom a ebi mo se womo ye bese ahasan ebi nso se womo bro na chese 300 no ebi nso se womo bro womo ye se womo faculty kwan bi so awura underground wo na chese womo akwati asi Anglo da Shanti ye 80 womo mbinam no makwa akopɛ eye sika kokɔ ibi na chese womo nso e de ababa bombra na eye boys umutu amana ketu bia na chese akwakoto AJF amana kasie ni no mafamu anu mawuram na womo kɔ ebra no no se AJ tibi bisa pɛ no makɔ amana na boys na tututu no mo de kosi o mo de no makɔ kata so we na no eye fiada ne de no kutuye no AJ nya information no mo kata boys ne de no se na boys ne bi akakam e wa asie ho no so mo kata so na boys ne san ya ba no o mbeduru ba bi o mo fa de wuram na chese ya kata so na wo mo ndi ba bia fa bi na wo se o mo befa Anglo da Shanti o mo main gate no edipie na eno nso na chese wo fa ho no mo a asrafo ne police fo wo ho o mo bedoa na chese ye de wakogina mmara na de na mmara no ene wadi isanse eye kro no ene wakwa akobọ no na eno ena chese boys ni su sa no na o mo mpese wo mo beba enu ntino na chese o mo betegate na no a wo mu se eji security for ne ade ne ba o mo san su ko akire ho no na ehu etina ma eji penifo ne security for no o mo ndi o machi nti o mo yese se boys na ye yire de se o mapia o mo se bepie gate na ma wo mo na wo mapie ti boys ni so mu fiti fiada na me no ka se enrada ena tesa asem na ebeti yiri kase pa wo boasia no si ani nyina ne se wo mu nuanom ana wo mo fie no egbo twi ekọ eye bia ya gate na no ho no mo no se empedifo hwe na wo mu bie wo mu nuanom no mo bra fie eno ena chese ko ye mentime ho asi hehe na chese se mo fo boys na wo fie ni se no mo si ko no mo ko de ni bra so eni tina ma Anglo da Shanti wo security ne military kakra na wo ha no na wo mu tumi tina wo ma no enu tie ma wo mu free reinforcement ema afufro nso asrafo ne police fo ni bi efri kumase eba aboase beka wo ma wa no se ne be ya wo betumi aboa ma asumtwe aba na me ne wo ka se ebra na boys ni bi no ma wo mu shambre ne ye yire de se wo mbepie no ipa be se 48 ena chese mo ho kwan nti o mu pie na na ye chi wo mo ena ye dio mo ba oboase Central Police Station na eho no mo nso no ena chese boys na ebo twi edi akire eba Central Police Station wo no mo se o mu nuanom ne ye gya wo mo anya saa o mo mpene ma ye mfa wo mo kogina mmara nani eno boys ne se chese dio mo ye wo ho no na nua ese wani na enye asemteto a enu nsem so koye de jama chese me no ka se Anglo da Shanti wo mo class be bi nu ana esi police station wo no mo no dia bubo mu sese no kra ma me no ka se etie class bi no boys na sese no na eno na chese omo hye ties ni ade wo ka kwan ni mo block wo boase akwan ni ma chese na ka nko kampa eno nam so ma mpanimfo wo oboase me kire oboase east abanya na musini wo ma me fosti na abisa na afen so oba ba kan no so hwe se obetu frank ana se obepre eye mrahye bedwa akonya ne dia ma NTC wo oboase west ma mi so fe no fosila apia kani omo bi no ka omo bomu edi djuma soro kokko police station no se se ne be ya boys na wo ho no be kofie na asumdwe be ba na emu ye betumi ato asem so de afiru ntina boys no mo de omo ma wo mo bail no mo mo bail a o ma nkasa beti asem na chi na ebro mo hia boys ni bi ama ansem na to aso afiru no o mbetu sa na mo enti endro anadwo bes no nsia ne fam ho no mo ko no emranti kwa bes 48 na ye chi wo mo date na no omo de yama wo mo bail a me no ka se wo nyina coffee eno nam so ama boys na chese obani abri he nya de ade ni nyina no o makoma ba fo ma dodo na coffee ne mo me no ka se sisi idea asomdwe se dan ba sa esan se asrafo na ebeku obo ase no dodo na wo ha a o mo hwe se wo mo ba ban anglo boda shanty baby a wo mo tuma fuo bia wo bia no me no ka se asrafo wo ho no mo a o mo hwe se bambo betumi akoso because o mo nim baby a the boys na be ye achiri enu ti o mo bo ban na me no ka say the 48 na ya mo kofi na wo mo a eda so hye eye amna dim ho no mo no mo sire se o mo di o mo mbra no mo ba ye twere ma no asem wi a ye be ja o mo no mo kofi ebre pa mo be se hia sa asem na beto aso no mo beto o mo nsa dia frɛ wo mo na kyese o mo ni o ma didi nko mo nti me no ka say ye enra no bo ase ye deja ye papa na enya asem ketwa
Isaac yenhwe ni se nhwe se no na se de wo ka bi se 300 na omkomu e bi se 400 wa wutitie mu ni pa dodo se pa na ko amana ni mu
endra yenya kwanya ene boys ni bia na wo mu wo asase na se wono ye ni bi di nkomo e wo phone so na wo mo kire se ase omu ye ekuo ba ko ase omu ye 100 ekuo fufura no so bi ase omu buru omu ye be 200 and I will ekuo fufura so anything the actual figure of guys are what underground media na ye ntumi nsisutua ebisa 300 ebi kikakra se emo kikakọ be 500 enti be pim ne se bia wo nyina betumi apie ne die ye nse da nim number na dodo aye pa na emomu no ekuo mienu omo de na omo mpanimfo no kire se we mu ye 100 we mu ye 200 na sa ekuo ni mienu ni aka omo figure na boma me ne wo kasa sisi na no na ewa abontin se emo ye 300 na emomu no ebi nso wo ho no mo kire se omo po 300 no Timinia, what the actual figure media for now, yet to be confirmed, yes, take it to 300 now.
Isaac, when you say, Sam and I know Mukomono, Ango Godomuda, so you know, Madame said, I am now, Omaya Mojuma, and no more through one Atlantic Association.
See, let me sit here and run up a young queen afro, so what will be a boys and a boy. I say, Sir, a sort of mono, a beer. Where's you two mamma no more dear woman, a hormono? Anglo Buddha Santi, a yen concession media, Menoka say Anglo Buddha Santi, while language 70% of the concession at the Abma are buying, and I got 30% to pay. Now 30% no, what to a buying at you na baby or my two buying at Zono, baby a boys in the program, no baby a buying one. And until you back us a honeta, Anglo Buddha Santi, the concessioner, or yes, word to my name, no, in 50 day, Munyan or Hormon say, name of the cat, the concessioner, the big piano, Roca Cotis Regima.
That's just a woman call Hormon Coyad, name of come concession.
The patch of Sape,
see a one, and now we're moting your 2 and our Hormon Quaco Pie, baby Anka Anglo good, a yedman.
Sape Pen, a voice in the Yano. It's your funny say, Abia, one will say, no newsroom. Now will be a book when be a far from newsroom or now cook you studio. No one fuck when punishing your room. And now, it's your funny who say, my book when we newsroom one, Umbekata newsroom one more quine. And it is also what you pass over for a studio or now for newsroom when a Pia, Uka Emco. I just over for main gates and it's a pepe and I'm a boys in a cow gates in the Chisania Abia. demo de ye mfanto na kama ka wo studio inside wo name mu na wo se mu pie no sa na akwakoye sisi e minua
minua ne kura mu no ya te se 4 days o mo didie mu no o mo anu mu sese ya empanya ba mu yi o mo timi atutu nsuo bi agugu amene mu na ba bi o mo so mefa nkonom ana se still na no aduane ni wo ensuo ni wo
enu ada ebra ya fro top ho no mo na ye ko hu omunua no ma na wo fie ni bi no ye hu se o matoto eye nuane e wo kan mu ni bi na che se wo no omuduro no ma na o ma hwiri na tra e de ama asrafo ni se omudi omo mfama wo munua no no na emom no asrafo no amfa ama enua no no omo ye se sa asase na na ya no pa no omudi omo mpie ba omba mo kwan mu madidi no mu wi ana che se ye di mo akogina mra ne but say mo so ne mama aduane de ekoba sa na say omutirim ba ye omo de nti nuane a omu nuane mo tode koma omu nyina ne de omo amfa amma wo mo nti me no kasa de se wo madidi mu de aduane nse dan ko ho ma wo no mo sa e ma wo mutiti ye
Isaac amankwa anopai agenkwa fam ne tifo bedase se watwa mfoni a kire yi ya kwa yanim no bibini ne ente ase a e be san ba wonche
misime dase bibini a
abusia yense ntwoni owo obo asa Isaac amankwa na wochem se mante kwa no hwemu paade a ahasa no mboro sanse omo mu pie ente se omo kɔ no mu ye akukuo eti se eyame aduana ba menimi kuo enenam efia tiambo aduane ni kuo ofa anini kuo na apia ni kuo Rashid ni kuo na kodwenya meche
anini kuo
eti se kuo bia kwa no
10
wasi kuo ba ko me 200 ba ko de no me 100
300
aha eti kuo sa no mko ye se ye twobo ye wa ho na de akosie eno no wasi aduane no asoja fo nso mu mpiem na wo de be ma wo mo enti 4 days ni via
kwabena 4 days ni aye ka no obu ho no mo betimi aye mre no afrem but se si a meme problem na na
uti anye na o sakra na nkwe nsa wo so kra de ya
beba eti meme problem ne se wo munya aso den no se wo ba ye beto
ai sa fo so mra
na mra no ye fo mu kwagina ni mu because one mwafom se mako obi asase so akwa ye se ania mo ho sem no na se wote se de no report na e ka bibi te se eye pani o se DC ya se MC no ene de wo premier se beja adwa wa NDC di mu na ka mo aboma ko police station minim se mai mienu de o be bibi de abom se wo be sha asase na ase awudie yensamfo na wo bedie no pie bra na de ye nchew na ye chewa emra no akire na be free wa fine ya bro sem wo kwabena emu ya arofo Anglo Gold Ashanti mrante kwa woboase aboa wo ho anu kope gold na akofa de asi aba na ye gina so de Obokra tansam na to so chese de Obokra tanimu no sa ensem no ebi ewo mu a anope yesi braje bre se ye de som wo wa agenkwa FM wo mpaso so te se dwumadie so adua na ba jeni mboate the president na edi chiame na ye ne ye de Obokra tanam ponso po ebra wo me efia achia brodia came the boom the finance minister miniminu abema Owura Kwesi Chumesi Mandela na daily guide Obokra na medi frase wo hwe krata na ani mu hanoma bawomia wakọ peke ne forms se wo befa kwanya no so na wotu franka de ama NPP amanyokuo no nrada eno nti krata fa to so miensa wo daily guide Obokra ni mu wode hu mfonyini aba o hanom na mampani na adodan kwa akufo ado se momma ye magana enye nsrahwe amanya enipa bia ma wo home no sufra ma hodo no so aha eno mba babo mo ho adwa na kwaba na sa so de sika twitwidie na ebebre Ghana adehye energy minister Mira Napo na wodadie so kodi ni Monaco na ne pani kwahwa adagye ni posokra galamse asem wa ye kan na asrafo ne oboahye adehye de wonom abo ani na adagye ni poso wokọ Facebook no so na hwe sade mrantie no yesi baabi wonom tutu baabi yi wo mu nuanum ni bia areho na esere nso akwa ya asem asrafo ne se wo mu nifo wode akoso no me ho asem wa ha na sen north edwa no sabrei enwo nhyehyɛ ne ho tutu nyina nam kwaso ma NPP e de akwanya na to se nne wo bia wo pepa sa ase no fo edwa no wo be fa di so NPP di mu no kofa form se kyena wo mo betum na nhyehyɛ ne tutu ho bia no 7 June wo ma to aba e de yi kandi ni obesi NPP anamu na afa wonom akọ eba ne se beboa na Sadiku eye Mira Buhari ne ba sabre hia pon kase e wo US memu krache no mo kire se wakodi nkunimu aburo ne papa adwene nti ase so se ne papa anya mampani kwa ne ba no so abinye pa ehun nsem krata ne de abode ne gidi se mu nsem enso aba as usual akoso cartoon da bia wode ba daily guide obo krata ne wode ba agudie mu nsem wom jebreko pebi na kenkan
memfa the new publisher enso entoaso na senia minu aba eye afia kan no a Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia na sam ne de odako wakrata yanim na no an forms okopike ye no ode kire Ghana fo nyina se sam ne de ampa wasini pi ede kire Ghana fo nyina sem finsiam penu ne adonu nan opeso otu franka ema eye NPP amanyuko krata yi kasa FIA rapisa white na nsen okakasa ye editia ye Supreme Court judges na wasipesa white nearly escape jail timunsem no eno so kotoken kan a ubesa tedia o kase nipa dunsia enra ebetodwa se kan konhia esiye ewogomwa kwa no so wonfinfin mantam no wo mo so otwa homfoni e de abeba na ahwe ko eye sene akas no esi aya na ano edne na otweri ampokwa nyankopon no de ye be kro no de yaba sanse ya driver fond ye de ni tu o mo so a de besia enso eno no sanse obi nhunu de ya na ekoso wo mu adwene mu ene ne ya na ekeka ka ho a wontimi nto wo mo bokwan bi so na wontimi fo akontufo konfo mu ma se wo mo nso na nukum a so mu na e ma kontufo ko enfo mu ma no eno enso eda ha na wasin na adehye a wo mo teshi e won kramantam mu ena wo mu eye kire pa editi a Ghana bai ni nyina se wo kire mu a wo mo akwan a wo mu nam so no enye ti so bi ya pemfo kra na ofoka onkomra no na je se ade na sei ene ye keka ho memesisi a SSI ne ye keka ho nyina enti no ade wo mse Ghana ban ye kire ne tim no ti wo mu ye kire e de kire aban se akwan ahodo a e wo teshi wo mu nkru ahodo emu no ne nyina asese enti aban emeka omumwa na wo mesiesie kwa no enso fama wo enti kope the new publisher na ensem no de aka nyina no obetimi enso ahunu na wakenkai
daily analyst the wakata no na to aso na enkwanhia esi eye gomua okire kono menua nkwanhia ne mu ya enra ne esi nipa nkono krata ebo amane se nipa dunan ena afri mu na ahwe se do mu kyeremu se yuton bus no ene tanka no eye na krata ebo amane se bisusu se no droba ni woda wo tonko emo obi kura ye se droba te wani enam taasi droba bi so na ne tie na mu de ohu ya ne se fa na mpempi no se nkwanhia ba adroba fo ni nyansa no mo de passenger fo ne da braje krata ne de ho ama ne bo aba ko pebi na gibre na kenkan na eye illegal miners a oboase Anglo Gold won mo concession so na boys ya bo awurase e kope gold so munya bi so mo anya bi ese gold no edi nsenseme ni nyina ne se bambofo na ni abrinye pa se wo mo baban de wo munya ama krachefo no ensesa de wo mpa so wo mo fa na enko enti wo mo akwa akosi amena ne baabi na aka baabi e wosem nante no fa ba no mutumi kire wo mo krata ya ba amane se be ya nante ne be pie no eno so aye boachi bi dey eye daily analyst de wo krata no wo de ehun nsem aba na Bawumia enra da wo kopeke ne forms krata na bo ho amane se wakwa ko faidie na chese de ne ye keka ne de ye tete se wo betu franka de amen pipi no eye no kore ebetumi abem ehun nsem e wa ha wo de wani kyerem wo tashi nso so a adehye no ate wo ho agu montene so wo mo kya so mama aban no bosumi mienu se wanye wo no makwan wo ho amamu a ene de besi pa mo kai pese white nensam wo keka fa Supreme Court wo nam so me ye kye no contempt no court waja no so mfa ne tim kwadidim na mom he should sin no more when one koye boni biom oye boni biom de ono ane sempa ensem bika ho ama no nsem wo ma daily analyst the obokrata was say without fear or favor or the abedra so kopebi na kenkan nsɛm wɔ mu paa
afei me mmɔnwura the new crusading guide enso emu wɔno deɛ wɔtene pi sɛ adehye maako aduanan nwɔtwe ɛna nea asie ɛwɔ boase Anglo Gold ɛne temamufo entem no wɔse yache wɔ mo enso ɛwɔ hɔ na wɔ mu aka mena mu ɛne wɔ mu awuo deɛ obi a samre wɔntwa ho mfoni ɛde aba IMF wɔse wɔ mu pressure aban no ɛwɔ ne dwumadi ahodoɔ bi opɛsu odie ne timi boa na bosen a yakɔgye no entimi enkonkɔhye ne no ɛna occupy Ghana ababɔnten sɛ ashoko wɔ mo paa na wo mu hunu ya wo mu nka enso emfa ho Dr. Mahmood Bawumia sene akwa krata ne nyina etwamfoni ede kye no eno ada na okofa no form se samde de waye krado se kwampia so no obetu franka ama NPP amanko ensem ahodo ododo no a enso ewo the new crusading guide mu a woto a obekenkan enso de ato aso ntikope bia no pe ya na to a ensem aka no enso eso
May the Republic Press the obokrata no na to aso na eye gomua okyereko enkwanhyi asi honom no ɛho nsɛm wɔ hanom dodoɔ na akɔpiem wɔ ayasabea hwɛ a ebi nan atetene ade ehu mu nipadua ehu kuntunsini ne babieda ɛho nsɛm krata no ɛde abakɔ krata fa to so miensa Republic Press or the hunsam aba pese white asɛm a na make Supreme Court so wɔnkɔ na waso na akeka ne na fefa wɔn fa mforo honom wɔre no ankɔyɛ bɔne bio no yɛ bɔne bio na so ɔkɔyɛ ɛme ɛkye ne contempt bio mu ɔno ɔbɛte ne dre wɔde ne space ɛda anim ha Dr. Alhaji Mahmood Bawumia yɛdi nkia kadada wakɔfa ne forms so obetu franka ɛde ama NPP amanyɔkuo no ɛho nsɛm wɔ ha ɛyɛ Supreme Court kɔ asetena gyinasi a wɔn mu siyɛ sɛ asen no fa konwa no yemfa emma akwanya bi mantemu ababa election enkoso no krata ne de ho asɛm aba na nakafo akwa ye history book bi ade abre eye class 4 emofra so wɔn kenkan na sɛ de book yi adisi Kristosom adisi Bible mu nsɛm adisi nyamesom sɛ Kristosom amaboa yɛn nyamesama meboa yen asofofo ni bi ehu ye de omde adi ye asore ma ye nimu ekotena sema asofofo yi echeche Bible mu nsem atumfutu agu ye nia ma Kristofo di na edi hia ane ye tete history book ka ya akoye se e makra de se akwanya wo sum ye ni bi sa asafobu okro be mo ba akwanya na kogina popete so aka Bible mu asem de a kire ne mfafo ma ewo mu asua bibi se ma yenso so kra ne ewo mu ye yie no asafo ne masa akwan no ene history book no de wabro nsem so pa eno no se ya hye na kafo se wo munyi sa book no ade nkinyo so aba wo mani mu no emfemfro cha sa wofo ne bi hu book no mani anye wo bubu afu pa na ye de ne kyerem wo tashin so a ade hye wo ho no mo atu ase o matene montene so efa akwanfo akwankan a ye ka ho asem no se wo mama aban na bosome mienu se wani so anya won makwan ma omo a won so betu om ho fo krata ne nsem bi ka ho anopai and na Republic Press the obokrata no wode abadwaso
afi the Daily Dispatch ena mede to aso na Dr. Mahmood Bawumia samre de enkrata ne nyina e kan ho asem no si breaking the age no twedam pokwa amyankopɔ pa ne so na befa enso ediaba ti kwambia so NPP fo omonye krado na muntie se da braba no krado ya to awie san se wababɔ ntena beba ma ne se kurumdie franka no wono ne bi kura no na wasi ebepie mu Ghana man mu a nipa be so pipim mienu akiri po 2.4 million Ghanaians eno om se yare a ye friend diabetes yi wo mo enso ewo bi enti ko wakrata no atwa de aba na kwan ye betimi afa so na ye betimi enso asoso ano na yesia no na parliament ena samre wo mo den krasa ne edi kaka no ababetu dwa se samre asen nof mrasabadwani bia eni ho di kwan bia so no ye beto aba ewo ho na ya pemra sebedwani enso edi amawom o say Mrs. Adwoa Yebo Aferi on why mobile money transaction need a regulator and also what the ababeto ne nsɛm ahodo no if you see something say something ne ne akeka ka ho ni nyina egu the Daily Dispatch anim a betimi akɔ no akotobie no akenkan enso edi atoa so na etimi enso aboa ma anopai anabon wo so
see something say something una ko kanwe
me wo mobile phone bi a me de kan bibi na ko kakra so na abenya asem
ombe yuto
o ko kan akra so na
abenya he no aka no ni o problem
bisu benya asem kra wo ya ka so evidence kra we
sentia
ebi ne Bank of Ghana nsem mo ka say wo so obi sise sika foreign currency a
Bebama.
Illegal bebo mama ne.
Any agro.
E to me so mu che say.
Alaba wo mu
tia black market wo mu ni mo.
Da bi wo mu to mu emfa alaba.
Wo Ghana go dey adwuma so obi nsa.
Susuma ne ha na ate Ghana. Kwabna.
Emu me kwa so mani abrim.
Susuma ne ha na ate Ghana. Na Ghana ni ben so na be sore.
Ye nye wo man.
Say me ko a Bank of Ghana. Akọba amane so obi sisa sika. Ena so Ghana cross who need medi.
Da bi na alaba e ba e Enfie say
I be motivate wo Ghana na wo tu sa na mo. Me fa kan free ha no monko Bank of Ghana. Enkoba amane na
be bisa bebu mama ne.
Jai, what a Ghana ya susuma nsemo ha. O mo nkeka na ya na ye omo de. Onto omo ba just Ghana black market da do mu nim ho asem. Afọ ye de asi. Ya de asi.
Mumu ko asem panyifo adwa mu ana mudi.
Wana mo ye.
Na wazi wo ti awo $1. Who is $1?
Ja omo.
Wo $1.
Nim enfie dodo a edi kra foreign man bi a mekuta bi. Those are ebi obi man who is kakra nka.
We ya $600 million ya be. Yes $1 no hit account no. Ena kakra bi ni be yinkunya.
Mese kwabene.
Be kakra nyanyi nya na asa.
All you know no. Wo ba na bibi nam kwa so ba. Say bia nyama wasa that $1 be pege ni mu ketuwa bi. And we almost started from here.
Omo ya smart.
Omo ya smart ye hurry up. What I say almost share free baby say. Na that
e ba yes so
black market. What I say. Enti susuma ne how Ghana na out here no. Relax it. Tamu chuku ne feel benze. Na de hwebi nsem ne kwa.
Ye hwebi. Ya hwa akoma ye timpo.
Bia ma ne mpo. Never lose hope. Awa brabo we.
Yeah.
Ti ya manyoku ne de never lose hope party.
The finance minister Viatia Brodia one Breto Bakwasi Chumesi Mandela and Yati Wadmokano. Yana Yahonia Boafo Cat Penyamra.
Uyam ayekro anase emokekao uhia amuzuke uyam tutu anase emusamfono uhia amuzuke wayase ya oya anase wo afichikro mu haw uhia amuzuke heba mixture ebi wo heba shop bia mu frɛ 0247 776743.
He wants. What's the wedding easy? Oh, you butu ankasa. Wakaka.
Messi. Lufat na wajima where you?
Hey, malaria drew Lufat. To my wedding where you hospital.
Sister, where I imagine there. Few hours to my wedding. No Messi semu huma yeshepe. Linketa was mikuni. My husband is sick.
Hey, Jemo Tonodo. Never seen no yen.
What's the water tested positive for malaria?
No, never seen one
ambulance. It's not a bicycle.
No, yasi from Kakabo.
No, kick. Many my wedding gonna me make up sometimes.
That's right.
Nearest pharmacy. So wanna meji Lufat.
Entrance pharmaceuticals for one malaria druna.
Inyo. No ye na wanter. Mukuno china nenadi. A brand pa.
No kuniso. No pona waka that you may kiss the bride. If you want to show day.
No donna. Man no ye done.
Indeed, I will malaria and come to them. Lufat. Malaria drop test for malaria before treatment. FDA ashesa ejede inkrato yi ajatum se eye.
Foligo capsules ni syrup your multivitamin fofra ejema mo fani bonina iron zinc copper folic acid vitamin B6 B12 ashimuma Foligo brama oxygen aye twiko yemuno eje dwuma yi na honam no so nya hode a ehwehwe Foligo syrup de deda malt ni ewowo ni jema mofra Foligo blood building nutrients so won ne pama bonifo omiketufo ni obi a wayare de ho tono
yankase
FD ahwehwe surgery nkwatu mu ajatum say ye
Obiara ribisa neda me shiva anape me yan wasin brodo me see oya alternate fatigue in a fever so anape me repisa me see oya alternate malaria any mo general body pains but I'm free sick of alternate everything be alternate take off in be the ultimate no alternate malaria fever no alternate ni mo fatigue in a headache no alternate Weja wona mi yaw no alternate Pastor na lawyer no alternate Presented for count no alternate Kaya yo you borrow them no alternate Mano mede, also no Martinet. Yo, no Martinet. Malaria fever, no Martinet. Nimu fatigue in a headache, no Martinet. Which I want to no Martinet. Batana Loya, no Martinet. Presented for Kahun, no Martinet. Kaya yo, you borrow them, no Martinet. Mano mede, also no Martinet. Yo.
Rose, Frekitra ni video man nebi sasa ayefro no hyehyɛ no asisen.
Bra, wo so abremu. Sanya man ko ne kwaware ebre. Oyiri we die sa otiwa ni hwɛ ne pa.
Ye di machi so papa. Aka 2 days pe na wedding ye duru so. Ɛna
hwɛ G-Code relief tablets ibinum na ho ntɔ wontem. What me am my wedding case? I don't know.
Cold relief.
Cold relief. Pepo so no kokoko. Etimi a wanketenkete. Uchimu yo dududu. Ana hwene mu so ne nsu ana so hwene mu asi. Cold relief. Ebe relief wo ama ho atɔ wontem so.
Cold relief. Se manhia wa enkambetra oba we mu saa so mo agam hako.
Awari so.
Don't know.
Ubenya cold relief for pharmacy bi eben wo mu. Etufo nkoto Binko Limited Kumasi Sports Stadium echi. YF Brono no so. Telephone 051 389 66. Cold relief.
A relief mentam so.
Heba Mr. Near the Saheba capsules.
Madame Sieni.
Hey, and to what in your pan and what's the said you Saheba? What is Sasa?
Mendia, woman bibi. And next year, for once, my Chiwaj, I do Saheba Meshana, who come from Mamiano. Oh, my number Tiwa dance. Miampa, Caneno, Namis, Namitimina, Chime, Nami Coco Yadia so teach me. May number do Saheba Mesha, Nina to go, and the Maya free.
And the sun rate, yet tried you na yenye huachi ayesisi yene kokwa drokasia me say a person kroni adwumatin bebrepe sanye du Saheba mixture enka mawu
odo
na say die wanya pomde pao
eya du Saheba capsules no
ajenie eya no crap adu samre obia tumenum bi agisa penfo abatan ya wo nkwadanfo ene wona woni mfeduni kumase atofo na atofo kwadu Saheba center ne clinic e waso me macro go filling station down emu ene so me Pentecost sold down afa enya na e wa heba shop ne pharmacy pm 0500 110 115
adu Saheba
ma dance enie
Minia na hifa na wokwa wani abiri hu sei
ko unim se ananu ya fridge amekoto ye asem ye kurampo enye ye biu entim pebebi papa menya fridge papa to a be chama me
na wonte Artist Prestige Enterprise fonka
omuso na efo
ene me de asem asie ho de ye fe no to ade na menche wade o to ade na wache de de atiri rum ha de o pebebi e ton fridge papa Artist Prestige Enterprise omo fridge ahodo pi se o peketwa kese e ho ne ho se table top double deck deep freezer won san wo display fridge wo se fridge na grass wo animu a hu de wo mu no ni nyina bi o
sir enya ma ya me ho
omo gas cookers rice cookers blenders CV set free 32 inches coping 65 inches afei air condition type bia any home theaters apapapa fine microwave and a washing machine nyina bi mekane majade na ennam so mo nyoma ye papanti ade bi a obeto bia no omo warranty san chawade
ene udi asoma sie mi ampa so mo san nyoma nyina bi ho de ameko osisi a
omo wa prepo junction da bia ye friend ship mu no wa na obehu o sansu na atonsu agogo omo ne adansi rural bank na hwe animu frɛ 0243 414822 and 0553 319455 Artist Prestige Enterprise home appliances papa fee.
I get wings to fly. Oh, I'm alive.
Sorry, dear fa. One kasa wo de hoa wo hu. Mo hwe me skin. Ama me sha atare a memre kra. Nyame sure skin city laboratorium. Adepa eneton no. Ye hyper pigmentation and a hypopigmentation. Eno ye yadewa gudu bia ewo redie nani a skin city pe ene betimi ye free ho. Malesma eye nan so beye wo manim sunburn area hyehyw freckles ene ne nkeka ho. Eno danche ye ka bibi se acne. Acne ye pimple e bani panim. Ebidia susu. Ye wo echitosis. And what's one of saying out on Sakao skin now? Well, Felisa skin, rare, fish, a rare home. Senior, and a white dot, and a patches about DNA. Uber wow, with DNA now, Munni said the abu plates, and our guidance, and a keratosis, and also a strawberry. Strawberry, not by us, I would jack, kwa said ya akokɔ ho tie sisimu nkadam no ene wo anti-aging facial creams eno esiesie wo wrinkles ema nipadua ne sane fefefe ene sa wo se wo beware wo skin nye Skin City Laboratorium pe ena meka for the amount ene wo dry dark knuckles eno eye wo nsachi aye tuntum wotimu so obi ne color fe pa na so ne nsachi ayi na ma afi ye wo dark neck okwo mu sei no na aye tum ene wo severe dry skin ye wo severe oily skin ena damaged skin repair when it aswasa Skin City Laboratorium pe ena meka for the amount facial and body waxing ebebwa so wo Skin City Laboratorium achira kwan ya ye wa sokori mampo affordable house and share any mupe for 0248936297 0248936297 oh but Joe so adwuma ye fo nanim tese
Uyam ayekro anasa emu kekaw uhia amuzuke uyam tutu anasa emu samfono uhia amuzuke wayase ya oya anasa wo afichikro mu haw uhia amuzuke heba mixture ebi wo heba shop bia mu frɛ 0247776743
Abusafo ya dama sisema atwe ye ni agi abo fonkrato aba yakwa homa no so woni ye sa akwade pepra obeye pombidi enkodi nkomo hello sa akwade Oga mira na efie eye boko de ye boko ala pe yin fan wodro de na ekoso wada ma twamfonyi cheye
Oga mdaso abaye twem atu fantastic this is a video one so here
ai me hu se de sitie enfutuo no ebo ti se de nsuo to no
sir before that about the cars also you nipa no paso sa de ba correct also and the mentality
obeso de ba he
conference I was from yes so many conference teacher hospital
okay oh no na wo want here yeah but agent I want here
but adwuma wie na wako obi be na adwuma wie no kwa mo se nipa kwa ko tepe no kwa hune no pen international no
sa be mo se etimi ma contract ebi anipa no na ahoden wo ho na adwuma so ani ni nyi fiamu no wo ho a Ademo yetimi sama contract be sa afimfi hia mienu bi.
So when you said that I need to for one class there. And you Muhammad. I for better 2 years. So do you back 3 years ago.
So we no dey Muhammad. Yes, na we so here.
Some say the book of me no so on Saturday na for so be but I was so there. Them say this boy like so be Muhammad by so be aduma. The boy man so we could trust me say once I made Muhammad right say o sa be aduma fa ebo o my bana Muhammad so I do go to say we could trust me no they are saying say I am the same position there no so to say
me say Muhammad wo yonku ana
Muhammad
o yonku
but I said we need some of this now so when family 3 years for teaching hospital. I was Muhammad so that about Ghana 3 years this also
okay sir for the yentu
for the 2024
yo yentu
I know about the dance the entire so ko manager also and now the time say what I said a free fantastic airport area 2021 on machines where good energy center or the abroad from one na even say no plan no say go police company or money amount for motia there more the stores or more official more there no say you some more or more you better so come our family no say when the quota do so e dey amount for motia no so dey be pay e no no toya e to mo kan fa say akoye buachi bidin e no kwa no so o ma ye Mahama e be pay we kan say sa we dey boa awa e no the quota we do so e dey amount e to ba sa no e be before ɛne ɔmanfoɔ a mo ɛyɛ asantuma tɔm yɛ bɔ edi papa yɛ atɔm a sɛ wɔn tɛ kɔn so ti na wɔn yɛ nso bɛsɛ ɛba bɛyɛ saa ɛkɔn ebi ɛyɛ wɔn pɛ bɛ tuo mu a ne yɛ bɛ hɛ ɔhaw a ɔmanfoɔ a mo ti na ɛde kɔn ɔmo ɛfɛ mu yɛyɛ mu sɛ nsuo totɔ nso ɛpɛn nso ɛwɔ mu wọ́n bá yẹ pé ètùtù paa amanfoɔ te ho wɔ ha na amanfoɔ a wɔbɛ bie no sɔɔso ɛkwan no yɛ ɛyɛ ne fufuo ekuo ne turo bebree atututu ɔmo shopping wɔn tiri shopping nso a ɛyɛ ade a ɛnyɛ akɔnɛ ne nyɛ nso sɛdeɛ fufuo nso abɔ gu nneɛma nso ebi wɔ bɛtɛ gyaade no koraa akɔkɔdi a wɔyɛ sɛ ɛyɛ ade a ɛmmoa eti na nyɛ adeɛ koraa a ɔmo koraa bɛda abɛtɔ aduane nti wɔn bɛ bie sɔɔso deɛ ɔmo bɛtɛ bi a ɔmo deɛ deɛ ɛyɛ ade a ɛsaa na ɔmo gu nso ɛɛbɔ wọ́n bẹ̀rẹ̀ ṣàfihàn ẹ̀tọ́jú bá bẹ́ẹ̀ nìkú so a ọ̀wọ́ sọ ọmọ sẹ àhàyè so a ọmọ sọ tuntun ọmọ àwọn sọ tuntun yẹn sọ àgbọ̀fọ́ sọ ẹ̀ máa ẹ̀tọ́jú bẹ́ẹ̀ nìkú a àti ẹ̀kyerẹ́ wọ́n ṣe bí ẹgbẹ́ nìkú yẹn bẹ́ẹ̀ nìkú náà nìkú àmọ́ ọmọ fún ọmọ tí a bẹ̀ ọ̀há paa ẹ̀nà ọmọ náà mu nìkú bi ọmọ náà wà mú ní kọ̀mẹ́tàn náà wọ́n mi sá ọmọ sẹ ọ̀há bẹ́ẹ̀ na ọmọ bí náà mi bẹ́ẹ̀ máa ní ọ̀bẹ sí wa ẹ̀kẹ́sẹ́ bi tẹ̀lé àná fẹ́ tẹ̀bí jẹ́ ọ̀fẹ́ ọ̀tọ́ àbẹ́ kàtà náà wọ́n yẹ sika tọ̀ bẹ̀rẹ̀ jẹ́ ọ̀tọ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ bọ̀ àná ẹ̀sìn bẹ́ẹ̀ tẹ̀ wọ́n yẹ fẹ́ nìyà ani sɛ sɛ da wɔ ne na kuto na ɛbɛgu so saa mini twenty ten na mpia me ntaade o anaasɛ di o ɛyɛ na ɔkɔ da de nkɔ nsɛm so yɛyɛ ɔbɛ bɛ pee aha ɛna ne fɛ yɛbɛtɔ adama nipa kyɛ daabi ɛbi nti na ayɛ ma o ntotorɔ ne wɔn yɛ ba a wɔde adeɛ kura kura ne hene nti wɔn ntoma ɛma ɛwɔ abɛtɔ nsuo ɛkɔ so a hɔ nyinaa ɛtene kɔ dɛm sɛ ɔsa so ne nyinaa nsuo ɛkɔ dɛm nti wɔn yɛ ba a wɔn ma wo a wɔba wɔn mɛfa adeɛ ma nti ne ba sɛ ekele na ne wɔn fa machine ɛmɛsi kwan sisi yɛyɛ no a ne kwan yɛ kama dada no a nya yɛhunu saa no saa bɛ no ɛne kɔmpiuta no yɛ a yɛsi yɛde machine ɛbɛ so a yɛdwi a yɛde nfutuo kum yi a ɛbi tɔ ne te sɛ mpasɛ saa mene ne kɔ yie yɛ fa adeɛ ɛna na atɛkyɛ no wɔn yaba no wɔn a wɔn tie mu koraa no ɔba abɛkɔ ɛna mfutuo so na eku yɛn mfuturo sɔɔ wɔn adeɛ n'asɔ hɔ mpakyɛ no yɛ ne deɛ ebi otu adi ẹsẹ ọ sẹdá kò di nínú ẹbí ọwọ mu àbí ẹ $500 ebi amanya ebi kura $1 million mẹnya àbí $1 million ẹkọ. na yẹ si kopi dọọbù asẹ ni mẹsì fẹ ti kọ ẹsẹ sẹni fìtẹ. nípa àti ẹ nìkúrẹ ọkùnfẹ ni nyinaa àtẹ̀kyẹ́ bẹ fún ẹ̀fẹ́ ni wọ́n ha fẹ́ yẹ fìyẹ kí àtẹ̀rẹ́ mi ń bẹ wọn nka ẹ bẹ ọbẹ sẹ àtẹ̀rẹ́ ni wọ́n sẹ. wọ́n ti rí sọ ẹ̀ẹ́ta yɛsa to baa no so wɔ bantɛm na bɛtena bɔ ama yɛayɛ mo kwan sɛ kuma yi baa sɛ sukɔ so ade bi si a wobɛto so mpakyaa wɔba ne ntakorɔ no yɛgyinigyi no so ɔbɛboa yɛ nkwa deɛ ɔbɛtoa me nti yɛnto baa no so hɔ mpakyaa no woyɛ amampa bɔ yɛ de wobɛtani gye mane ne ni nkɔmmɔtɛw na yɛnhwɛ ɛda wobɛ wobɛ yi bi ɛsɔ mane ne nkɔmmɔne ɛyɛ ɛyɛ saa wosu ebi nso ɛbi sɛ ahane yɛ bɔɔlu nti ahane yɛ pèsè nneɛma nkɔsi a etu no ɛsɛ wɔn akasa no nkɔ ebi nso nkɔ yɛn mi nso efikyɛ.
bukuɛ.
mi yɛ sɛ efikyɛ wɔ ha adi sɛ.
etie fo nyinaa ɛyɛ popido ɔde nneɛma bɛhyɛ akwan so a ɔhyɛ ase sɛ ɔyɛ adwuma no ne nim sɛ ɛyɛ ne ntɛm so baasisi a ne deɛ ɛnyɛ saa na ɛteɛ efuturo a na ɛkɔ yɛn. Epama adeɛ wɔ ha so na ade pam no fa first no no nyanya kwan no na nipa ba ha de pam adeɛ paa ba sisi adeɛ ɛnoma nkɔ yɛ na bɛtena sanapa obi kura no pa de wɔ kɔ ha magi mbuto no nko adi no ama na ɔma nkɔ yɛ wɔ ha ma no kura mi na ya kana bi efi na na kɔ ɛgya yɛhwɛ de rabu hɔ
yɛhwɛ akɔba se no ɔha bɛɛ paa na ofuna no so wɔ ha how high they know it is a ade penny to say.
Oh, I don't know. And yet, first, no, let me come out. I get it for you. See, after 2 weeks, and I said, I want to be talk with you. As you see, I need to come out. I get 1 month, 2 months. Be a mess. I don't find the time. And
when I know part of a bad election, see, I can be but when you bad election, you see, I hope it's to be here.
This will happen by election. This will have to be normal. I will be for my fantastic application that abortion. Okay.
nti umpa ba no me da ba se ba na funfio ba cha umpa ba se ba na na abo no se se fa da su and so edc ha so fantastic na prepare so na da se mama ni dress for be any encomoto na ye kwaya mo so mo fa so so ade ama be we dress say na mo so mo
oh sia de adwuma ne be ye breka first no adwuma ne baba sia obi da o si infusionity obi da infusionity o meye ni because o ye ni ti wo kwa won ko na ehu nyina ase di ebreye fremo aban hwe no meye meye omo me wata ni so ne beta be wata sama ya omo ma me wata nti fremo say mo hwe na aban meye kwan ne baye ya da master
ye hwe epaye no na epaye nyere no na e dada no na ma mbe ni ti wa na de no does spirit na de se sike
oh ayanta first no na ye nye adwuma se ye ne ya nkuso na ba no e kana nkuso o ne o mi se kwan ne nye de ba na eye se ne ya mo ba be tu kwan ne saba na nkuso na ba kese first ni ye nye adwuma se ye ne nti ye se mo se no na abaye na ye ma no me boa ye ne go pan
yes adwuma se de amafo mo wo eye apri eye fantastic plan omo pasang so de ya so de na ko be ba mi hu machines no e wa ha o se se e na jo be ni ni de aka no o tra ni na e ko ti no pe de o fi e bi asantase e be yam o ko atuma kwa ma ba ti mo kwa da so papa no so dia o se enye tipo e se me da no fo mo ti tem no mo e de e mo sha so mo no e wa mo hu na pa me de e ya kan e yan pa do e de le bi e yan pa bo ya sabi ajuni ni nyansa ani jaju suye papa bebe suye papa so wa di me ba ho o se o ye to du asantase se ye ba la so e se ye e de ema nti we de o papa ni tan so dia e yan pa ba ni da bi we yan ko to ba de o pampa o ba ko di pa mo nyansa se ko ba o mama ska mama go mama both side e che cross my side we la be tan go mama go mama koko ese mama bibi e se da se ni ye e di adwuma e di ba amafo so je bi e be ko boni wa ko bobo tia e di ada be wo be ji boni no o ko ji sika da ba e uke ni ya ka ko boni se ka di ma no boni sika na so be dem de be sa sa di ma no be ji afa ni ba fofo ko bi boni e wa de ko bi boni o je ga ba ko bi boni pa de so we ye pa ba de ka ko pa o pa pa emfa e
bi we nya mpa e bo ase
we nyansa ko bi no ba ju nyansa na wa ji mu da ho nyansa bi ko ba so su ko a u da go su ko a u da go e je ba
santansa prefo ho ya de betumi esi ho was o hwe sede environment no sitie mfutu o to kise nsuo ehu ti womo ewo asma ne womo bo wa ne nasefo no womo nkafra ano de papa me jimi sempanyi betu hu ana mo ne ni che ya didi
we o mo nka akebe ni no si to la cheche atatu the minister e ya samo se o ya kwa no o mo nyi so na ani ekwo ani ka kwa da so why we ya MP eselo we nya fi na kwa parliament afa na dia we de o na na pe ma no ntisa 2024 na eba no we here ni fit be ni so na mo fe ni ablo ha no o ma twa de fu e dia selection perform here we nya pa ba ni nya he e nya fa ni ato mfa ma ya kwa na ma
na just we nya 2024 o mu nya kwan
e je na ba ebo da o fa da ni ko je parliament akubu ni pe na de e je na be ntia
sa kwa dia bepra wo be de pulpit in ebusua ya te ne nkan no yeslamo santase apri adehie wo ho hunama ne papa ensuo mpo enfansuo muso kakra enfama wo mu enye anu odin yanka ni wachi a ya no adun yo sa agro no wede ana abani se wubeka na santase prefo na mo kasa dodo ana mu ye dede na wan wuti hobia ebi kura anka wodie watu akope bi fufuro atena yese munye ni sa emfa emayen na mamenkamfo adusa herbal center won munura wode abadwaso adusa herbal mixture ene adusa herbal capsules wodi nsuo no banam topaye no ebeboa wo pa se usisi ene ye wo ya koko ene etete wo oba ubunsa wutwa adwadwe na bema so ayemre untimi nkeka ho se bema enyira mema nyira na mu enu nti ye kanfo adusa herbal mixture ene adusa herbal capsules ade amam ye wo adusa malahep se malaria tudie na ye wo woje ho ba bi anye utidwa untumi ni di wonu wato aposese esi so ana akọ ehwemu ne se malaria na ye wo waduro eye adusa malahep numbi obeti esi obedidi kama mpadua no bede ne ho adusa herbal ointment se unkotodwe waposo wachibramu na woda sori anopa zimtwa me kon wontwa madame nsaso ene de kikaka ho a winya adusa herbal ointment na se wode sasa nipadua no a board de ko nipadua nim ema winya ofa ahodie furniture Fredimens Colinac Osons Pharmacy Costa Pharmacy Dani Herbal PFA Pharmacy Habme Pharmacy enem ya kaye herbal shop ahodo nyina adusa herbal center wo Swami Macro Gwai filling station inside the Swami Macro Gwai filling station inside the home. Frey 0500110115 0500110115 0557009824 Ofreyania yebe je so ama bibia akonkan amam Entrance University College of Health and Science ene ye kamfo ede amawo eho ayesua pon a eye ankwankwa pon na nso kosua de ewo ho na wuwia wunu ho da bia kokosua pon bi owie wonya adwuma nye ti wafadin bi aton ho so say unemployed graduate na entrance ya yeka no asemi entrance for moslicas enu obotwi problem abe nya no ye na ye ana ni wati ye bi hu sua pon ana ya sa de yetam abokwa amenkoma sua pon de no ano entu de frani bubu se wuwie suku a wonya adwuma nye yabemu ayedu frani kese pa yankwa ne first private institutional ya doctor of pharmacy ewo West Africa sub-region eti fa ho etim na mwa faye ewo sarma bofo iso 0509 086631 0509086631 o faye ne ya bejo so Ghana Tertiary Education Commission what ma je dwumadi no atumpa Dank Herbal Compress Limited Dank Herbal Compress Limited ho ye drofie ye saw yade ama wafa ho adi se be ma prostate dwunsom yade na etete wo be ma bi wo ho a wo gu so kura wo hunu obenhu ana no ho asai obese wo watu ho ana ma ya emfa furniture dank ye beboa pressure na wo so diabetes be ma wa ye mre wo mpam nem yade abeji adwa halitosis obekasa na obi ya den se twa ne hwene adani a wonum yinka untimi nkasa obedwom ha dwiye typhoid fever ya bia mekasa yade we ba so na wunimu a adwe bebo tianwa ani se yedua ne yabo obi na ato odu ene de kika ka ho a enso ne typhoid ene ye osa dank nyame adom ye wo ho dro stroke ena hepatitis B ye bebo na wo bisa se ye cha kwan wo hen ye wo petit number 2 obo ase kwan ne bon so ye ben City Life Hybrid School eho ene ye wo frey anopay 0244 01 75 56 0244 017556 and I say 0266 59 33 30 offer enia dank ye beje so Lufat tablet and then a suspension a malaria to deadra a free entrance for Moslicas any tobinco for Moslicas and name one of the Abedasoma Food and Drugs Authority Adiatum Yankwan ye wo ISO certification mekyerɛ international standard organization agye dwumadie no atom enti to bi nkoduro sei ɛne entrance nuro sɛ wunya bi wɔ Ghana akɔ Togo abenya bi wunya bi wɔ Togo ukɔ Nigeria abenya bi ukɔ Benin ukɔ Mali mo sikro Burkina Faso ɛne Cote d'Ivoire ebibi man bia mu ukɔ a entrance to bi nkoduro ebi wɔ hɔ ɛno nti ukɔ nhwɛ mu saa na yɛse ɛyɛ malaria tidue na ayɛ wa lufat no egyina brane kɔ sɛ yɛ pharmacy sɛ yɛ chemist over the counter medicine to be fasa ho yade ko to be for ni cheke o aka ni mrom castle yɛ ne wɔn hwɛ anim o fɛ ya no pay 0246 45 67 18 0246 45 6718 and now say 0540 124852 ofre nya yabeje osom wonu kwaye mu ana no pay ye de ompesua so ti se dwumadie esom wo ye na ye ho na ye mra ye ba ene ensem wo ho ye bedi nkomo
asampa yetia obayansa fuso wo bunibia wonka na asam tema futu sam kakre wa asopeme Kofi, oh man, ya woman, oh man, ya mama, Kenny baby, ako, wachata, ya wareni, one nipa, asa dipa, wofio, gamo yembera, ebe ya, ifiyana, oh man, ya woman, oh man, ya mama, adiwa no Yamichata, Yamanarenya, one so, one in pa, so I wanna be. Gamo Yamberae, Abeya, if you had one so, one in pa, as I dip out of you. Gamo Yamberae, Abeya, if you had how my baby, if you had
Jimmy should cool down. He should cool down. He doesn't own this party. He doesn't at all. He has to cool down. Yes, because the way he was behaving and ripping all all chairmen to raise their hands reluctantly. You see, all of them have been embarrassed. If it had been anywhere, all the chairmen will resign. All the chairmen will resign. I mean, look, how can I have learned my lesson that the disunity in the party stems from the fact that leaders of the party we openly support. So this time I said to get unity in the party, I'm not openly going to support anybody. If you are good and the people believe in your work, they'll vote for you. So I stayed away. But for the first time in the history of MPP political party, you see 15 chairmen raising their hands because they've been whipped. They've been disgraced. That is all I can tell you. They should go and sleep and learn sense. That if you're a party chairman, you stab your people underground there, you cannot change their mind. And that is the decision we have taken. I will lose this election. I will punish you for that. But you see what will happen to John Wood. I swear to God. Every executive, because when you go to party headquarters, there's nobody there. Grassroots will listen to me. There's nobody at party headquarters.
When the loan on the Tamale airport was brought here, were you not here when the first phase was completed and John Dramani Mahama went there and oversaw the first airplane to go to Mecca? Were you not there? So if you come and you continue my way, you become better than me. Kumasi Airport, were you not there when we started? So when we started, you came and you continued. That makes you the person to have constructed. Then if you people had constructed Terminal 3, I don't know what else you would have said. They have constructed the best interchanges in the Fourth Republic. Which of them did you start? Apart from the one they are struggling in Takra and the flyover in those things they did in Medina. The footbridges, that's what he's referring to. Or the one lane thing he did in Tamale. Were you not here when Pokwasi started? Were you not here when we got the grant to start the Tema interchange? Were you not here when Obochelu Lamte was approved here? The only thing you have come to do is Takra. It's not even completed. They are still struggling with market circle die. And then you went and did some fian thing in Tama, and you're all over the place. You have done everything. So if you have done everything,
President Akufo-Addo made me chairman of Ghana Water. I know how much it costs.
Now the Akufo-Addo, a person you put to Juma, Ubia Yebida. Nanu then Ubicha ye. Nemo Miens, Sasia Quadia, Sir, what kind? A Bible no, or say pray without ceasing. Enti ayadea I was say brebia yegusua ni ebusa yegusua busa wa bre ye gai ebusa eno ana yegusuo kase na aduda kwa Akufo-Addo ade bia ya kwansidie ti a ye started swami interchange no because anteman asemo mo kan say anyani nyina no betimi aye Nemo so swami interchange no hasi mpa 2024 no omuka se o hye bonkra inland port ene swami interchange na se a anya bibia no obetima ye ade bia aka bia no omubehu ye mogo no mato aba no de amaye 2024 enti no as a regional chairman the man for katre no eduru ba bia abose yeso Yeso edibitu enframam na Akufo-Addo so tenka se Astela Asanteman ehia swami interchange no ayade a Asanteman se omohwa ni mu se ye behase ansa na 2024 no aba enti bible ane ebo ama no enti yeso so ye de Astela na do se Asanteman ye bompa yeso so de ama no Regional executive so ya bomb by the amano say ya swami interchange no so you bet me abaso yes so Asante wom say MPP for by yes Asante mamu ne wo et yes swami interchange ne de obuo ni adidi ekwaso esrena na do dan kwa Akufo-Addo say de impatu pre ne nkanka we no omma ho mpre so mfama no na swami interchange no Bokiase de no ebi so emra swame emra Kumase na Kumase bi so yeso ye hunu bi enu nti na edi ho adanse e da wase It is blunt to you that it's not true. It's a lie, completely lie. As we are saying, the road is they are moving on, constructing all the roads. It's ongoing. So don't believe the lies, because the lies will expose you. Sesia mino kasai Kumawu road Jagusua yeye Madaroma and then my friend Yewra na Kumawu here Machiano ɔse chairman yɛda aban no ase sɛ road no ɔmuku so a ɔmoyɛ Kumawu ɛyɛ constituencies no yɛwɔ wofiri ɛyɛ afidaase ɛso so ɛde kɔ no ɔmuku so a ɔno soso ɔmoyɛ kwan no ɛhɔ soso ne yɛto abantiri yɛ kwa yɛyɛ ɛfɛ sɛ mebusa wo afidaase ne yɛto abantiri yɛhyɛ aseɛ woma nokorɛ nyɛ nokorɛ na ntorɔ ɛnyɛ ntorɔ John Dramani Mahama kaa sɛ yɛyɛ politics a ntorɔ ɔse nokorɛ wɔ hɔ monka nokorɛ kakra na munya na motwa ntorɔ kakra na motwa ntorɔ kakra nso a na maka nokorɛ kakra asɛm a John Mahama ka kyerɛ mu no this is a purely lies. This is the seed from NDC and it's from John Dramani Mahama. This is an offspring from the NDC. This is a completely lies. The project and the construction is ongoing. It's moving. The shop is there. The contractor is there. You can call him on phone or you can visit the site to see. Mr. So be there. Mumana Baso. Omu yena amanfo bebre NDC for central region. Omu the emotions. We call it emotional ignorance. On NDC in the central region. Omu say yato abani wiye na no. Omu se selfie ho ayayi. Me pesa me pusa say. Aha na nyansa ni ndia wo.
Abuziafo yeda mo ase se matwa ye na yaje yadwadi nkrato aba ha yaje nkwa 101.9 kasafidie so anope Mira Abdul Wahab watans wakasa de my pipi ameku no yakwa de chete na yemusa nsefie mpo aje se akrafie boko de
mini afie boko se tekrema da bodwemu a muja edi afrusani na naso human selection mini wudi na yanye bia ye besom o man kronkron ga na idie ye de asida na be mo nyankopon
That's that when Uncle Ponsano pay also what chance here. Na yenhwe. Se se de jeku ajepo. Asen off. Merci bipia. After say Supreme Court e ka ho asem no. Merci bipia nso e de atoso. Tro no kwase nipa banu adanse ye no kre. E je sei akwakoto abato commissioner na so se wanya nyehye na abato emraso eno a wote sansem yi efree parliament say na uso mo faye na mpipi ahoboa a won mo de call asen no no so far how far
eduana na edi kan ma memfa konya we so na menchia His Excellency the Vice President of the Republic of Ghana Yewura Dr. Alhaji Mahmudu Bawumia. Na mi wi so amachia the Honorable and Able Education Minister. Yewura Erichum.
Okay.
Ane Jumadeni Sumanson a omudi edeboa His Excellency the President Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo and the MPP. Your manifesto for 2016-2020 omuyi hu anon mako in every sector. Tie beda omase. Na mi wi amachia mi ankasa mi boss. Yewura chairman odin ho kweku apia. Maybe bia obia no. Chia na machia party mpenifo across the length and breadth of the country called Ghana.
Okay.
It is true the party national chairman Yewura Stephen Ayensu Ntim na ye chia the strategic general secretary.
Okay.
The man why just say Kasan on Kasabibri the actions nature Justin Frimpong Kodua and of course Mintimin Kona and Chamian Kasami mother region, that is the Savannah region. Then the regional executives over there will be Amicham Jumadia with the Boa party in that region. Meanwhile, Asim North seat Afrina Abrewa Eyipuma Kwemu.
Okay.
And I say the Constitution of Ghana.
Okay.
Yes, I'm testing for the second time. As I say, sa case asem north asem north case ekoko TM say yehu bi in 2012 Adamu Sakandi Emma Adamu Sakandi eko ifiase na yebema pardon presidential pardon man free or at the buyer. So Potokasam you say we are all equal before the law. A law na yedibedi Diana Ba as Diana Ba as a friend and host, no, and one Lord Nebedi Abdul Wahab as a communication team member of MPP. Into me and Sebi and Yebi. So say law no Echewa and Yacho. Now Diana Ba Yenina Supreme Court Eka Yenina say Yeni Yura Jachi James Jachi Kwesi Edi and free parliament. Okay. Now when you know so say Abra na Yura Jachi Kwesi Babe file no na protocol me see wanya eligible. Okay. Na sa abre no oda sukra nkrata e kire se wo ye Canada di. Ni say ntino na oman yi mra no e kire se ukura krata e kire se wo ye oman bi suso badia na je se untimi mbe prayer mbre hye bedwa. Okay. Kunya no enkotena se. Na empre na unim say election a process and a event. Okay. And you know, baby, I'll be shas yes, bepim baby, I'll be no, and on a anti Abrana Euraja, Chiquinson, air filing a nomination, the wine, air and the campaign, I and a VBA, you know, Nasa Breno, or da so a crack, a crata, a say. Or that's your Canada. Okay. And Senka, all preno, Sanko Yamana. Eja na wasan akwa kotena pen pe bia tena wa Canada. Okay. Na Ghana so so untimi nkura krata mienu. Emnia your friends say yewura Adamu Sakandi de ne say na sana na etie. Okay. Okura Ghana de na wasan so kura Britain de. Yeah. Ha ba ya no na omose. Nti say no Supreme Court say Debbie. O contest here who we need ye mum. Na mum e kwan a wo fa so de be contest here no. Sa kwan no brought Potokasam is a rough road, as it's an illegal road, and you know, I was say a free one. Now, I'm ready to so sir, any coin, sir, a conyabi, a wabra, Mrasia baby, fee, and the whole pines are. Okay, I just says, my constituency, I'm in Tim Hong Kong for one money. Protocol say almost voice cannot be heard from in the parliament. Okay. There was say na ono so a mrana mana konwane a honden say onhihye mrana say onhihye election no the electoral commission. Na in parliament no clerk no na ewo say yini say oka the clerk no agina the ruling from the Supreme Court. Agina so say there abremo otimi agina so ka say papa he's no longer na sense aso so there e was say yes an ko hwehwe election foforo e wo asem north mrasha begifi ntino we ade a esi na emran Ghana emra kuninu no so na yegina so ema yenya nkasa ye bra and onim onwanim because so be kaya menua ebra na ba be so in that there was a certain injunction no the same clerk of parliament no ekin kan kire no e ka kire say obeye de a wo ya ma wan kasa wona memum midie matwe adwuna susu say na oto aso ye den na menua nya the first time ni one of the aya was west wagon krampo de e court mo atwin saa tama na court no be declare say the only case in court one na wi ni no na that time krampo na the parliament you krampo I lapse. Okay. And this time no the Supreme Court and in other courts ni nyina no no man said these cases will not be dragged for too long na and so they started with Yanka Bra Adamu Sakandi. You know minua Senate, now the second question I know who's answer MPP model not tamana Asim North, right? Na Eura Kennedy Ohini Japan. Yeah. The Asim Santra. Yeah. Baby 2012 election mu and Eura Kennedy Japan a movie called Asim Central and Ojai North. And he Afen, which is in 2012, NDC4 FSR seat of Asim North. Now in 2016 MPP ne Samba Beyede Samba Beji, and in 2016 you find in 2020 na NDC4 so be G and this time round you say the candidate almost filled they were hono at the time na all filing a to contest na onye qualified nti asan bedam pan nti they say no sa seat no a swing seat if you look at the nature and you know the MPP is going into the election to fill a very candidate or very known and influential within the constituency. Na ya campaign senior say fata. In as much as Jachi.
Unti ebani say ya the 2020 on Jachi kwesi njina yeno. Mo ba sesa no anase nipa foforo.
Well sir, ebetima ba say as it stands now say any candidate bia wo. Ono candidate cha asa. So the party will find a way. Ebi ana ya ye ehonko part of the say electoral commission set date na say the how be bad ebe entimi meeti and say be try ye independent say the difference say ye be meeti ye orphan constituencies elections no then ye be twe enonko abanim.
Okay.
Na yama ye because MPP is a democratic party. Yentimi nka say nipa krona na enra na ono ko no ono sunsanye de ensanko. It may be possible say we're losing ne fame, ne influence. Maybe obi so emerge young guy bi and I say somebody has emerged very influential, very so with me about because in politics it's all about influencer war any the positive impact war on the people. Obi o wa obi yina ba ebi a oye NPP ni now so NDC ni bi enya some kind of help from that candidate and you know ultimately mune to amano because this is the guy medin home for swore any ade this is the guy me want me problem krampo no on yiyi mu on kase me MPP me NDC ni ntino me on be boa me wa be boa me we gina ne nan so aboa me so therefore why not giving him the term because on some when him say once he's a leader for both MPP and NDC and everybody I was so enjoy because onya be ya ekrampo no me manya me chefa na so onya point power no so a me gidi say me chefa e den ewom obe vote di amano. Okay, what I say it could also be possible to say the whole candidate now on Jachi Quincy Echo now or Lucy, you know, for some reasons we or no normal beer not 1 year into the bufuno. I want to be a name or no man what you mean the fences. Okay, what am I say? What build the bridges? I want to be fast to ban ho. I want to me fast to call more. I want to come on. Send yourself fata. And it's all about the position of the MPP delegates as to whether I say or maintaining the old candidate no, and I say no, they will call for a new candidate maybe for one or two reasons. And you know, and yet 13s and I said yes smooth. So I say the old candidate in me after taking into consideration that we are a democratic party.
Yeah, dynamics here war a sin of any Kumewu die no obi anim say dan deal at the MPP or katana ni kura no a obeche and no obi anim say your backyard na enti wono no be ka say da ni hu na ya nhwe ase no for a swing say de ye ka no the first say ya swing in nche chinchin abeba MPP eho anasa be ko NDC eho ebio enti die e na ma MPP nya ahoto say this time so maji Kumewu a omukọ akoje asen of aka ho na die kura na MPP aye nti asen of wo betumi agina so aka se weni nti ne nto aba no fama MPP Jachi Kwesi uji se unyi ni so betumi anya sympathy vote say BNDC di nuko biwa
o dimi nko ono they is even out of the system sir and I say aside we no say criminal case so that so ho sir say nyan clear no okay say it was the same thing part in the bar say Adamu Sakandi war to a they treated the criminal case and then he was sentenced to a.
Okay.
So currently we know the Supreme Court for an interpretation and in Supreme Court. The man was not supposed to be in the the criminal aspect of it, which I don't even think the NDC will still bring him back as their candidate based on the pending criminal aspect of it. But hey, this is NDC. They are unthinkable. Let's look at it in a way and look at how the judicials, but I don't also begrudge the fact that NDC as a political party beat me a sympathy vote or something of that nature. But the point me making is say, me say, swing seat and we know any general election, a by election, and meaning by elections is characterized by low voter apathy and low vote turnout. So say MPP the unity you call Kumewu and them forces are marshal here old general secretary, new general secretary, MPs, former MPs, current MPs, all the factions from the MPP fraternity MV as a team. What am I saying? A campaign vigorously, explaining issues. What am I saying? Say the sad team no, esanko Asim North a swing constituency now. It me identify why we lost the seat in 2029. I believe and hope say you bet me half a seat no. Very simple. Okay. Now, the margin now.
Since about 2,000 plus.
Oh yeah. So yeah, 2,000 plus. And yeah, they are intimate and turning over within some split. And to me, it's just a matter of saying MPP a very formidable candidate, a very candidate very connected with the youth and the grassroots and everybody within. Asim North now me killing the game very simple for us. Assassin Central everywhere Honorable Kennedy Japan a coin. We've won the seat once, the NDC have also won it twice. Okay. What am I saying? But this is a test case.
We a test case here call Mira Abdul Wahab na watching can sit as I do Egasama NDC. My Musa no Sefimpo it is a sit a few work there. Okay. Share a jebo Asin North. She said, Mashabia Abo Abato Commissar, and yes, on shall say no lazy boot. Na Yedenia about Uncle by election because so and not ye home come say this time no be as a swing constituency and a quiet yet to me qua a senate dynamics no. Ene Kumewudie esitie na na mi bisa se Kumewudie na MPP okata ni kura no a nensa ebeka sei ena omuko Asenof no ahomboa no esi etie ni ye hwe sympathy vote se bia bi betumi aba NDC afam edi ekwa na MPP ayo a e wo se nensa tumi ka seat no this time yentio se de ensem no esitie
before I question ma men chat here for omogibreti ajankwa FM anopai. Na me sanchia me constituency so I'm a constituency for nyina afi the KCA e wo ye mpesua so I'm cha me chama no day and am hu cap do UEFA cap do mama na akwaje cap
ye nia ai na de via de bobo for nwan wo via
and as excuse no cap no so no
asa afi bi obi emu sanensa no
ya mo titan kakra
ya
titan kakra na
ya ti
na minsan encha party mpany for more region from Nana Kwesi ne Ekosi the last person or constituency chairman di bebe obi amcha no amcha the workaholic PC ye to abama no ade china no starting adwuma we say thank you to is also part of party work, energizing the base. He has never sat down. The biarada of Jinamu Yajuma gidi. Franco Sansa Bibia will be a Michel. Mina, Rana, easy. Parliament, a tracoma easy concerning ascending North.
Okay.
Seat, declaring it vacant on the basis of the Supreme Court ruling now a buy. I mean, yawo omamuha ena as sendi bia a omo wose omode emraya adwuma no. Sometimes they dance to the tune of omo appointors just to satisfy their ego.
Samu na
wuhunu the merits of Jachi Kwesi Jr. case now say a travesty of justice. And yet me as a pocket lawyer and as a street lawyer in America, but someone who is a professor in the law, Professor Kwaku Asare, the Donald Fred Kwaku Asare. I say just I see ruling no, and yet ruling confined with logic, law, and common sense. I see because Osha.
I didn't know who you in here.
On men American reasons of remind me. I say so Osha Canada for no you can't say Nipano or yes citizen of Canada and you say we dual citizenship. I say pay their rules. The very day I will apply for renunciation of your citizenship. It take effect from that day, irrespective of say certificate in your day. And by because the certificate it takes time for the whole thing to be processed. What media or say 18 the very day na you part try letter no call mal mono so accept or mo return ni or mo reply no catch me say or ma take notice of ne letter no mo say catch me say or mo accepting in good faith and on try ni so mo the certificate no e de bebre no to confirm say we renounce it or say from that very day na dey no start there. So
na no muma no krata bia indicate say wo de aba yeso yaje e de atum and na mama say say wo de sa krata no kwa omu nye check background check up checks bia say bia ye hwe wo criminal issue bi
in this country people who have been appointed by the authorities sometimes they want to dance to the whims and caprices of those people to satisfy the egos of those people. But we have a country to run, and that country is friend Ghana, and we only have one Ghana, not any other Ghana. What's my point now? Say, or say one. When Jachi Kwesi apply say or person or contested for the seat of the Asin of no. Yet to man over in this when the issue came up, easy. Unze will be taking will be constituents will be taking this matter up at the easy level. So he went there to prove the reason why I was a headache with me standing as an MP. The EC verified all the documents and gave him the green light because he didn't contest on his own authority. Say upon say omode ade na aba no me de kan e wo say me de me contest it. Okay. Yisi no man no sa ade no omode sa ade no ko na nipa challenge his eligibility to contest as an MP for that area. So the matter went to the EC arbitration kotena so eno de letter or chairman the Canadian embassy Canadian government any the response our Canadian government demand. Now said those letters and response no a precede time what they be file. So the EC saw wisdom in there where you know and approved him saying giving the green light so bit more contested. Fast forward, you are talking about we NPP for noticing say from 137 or 160 something seats or 150 something seater or not from 137 with the NDC no more pay a very rude and cruel way of getting rid of some of our MPs. It is also at Techman South we won that seat convincingly, but we use rough tactics, wickedness. Emma nipa kwambe 8 kwampo wo and almost twisted the hands of justice and declared it for themselves. Declaration ya for a collated sheet and a year only in Nana Akufo-Addo's government. And also at the court. Omu say we no my numbers no my pay. You know, use backdoor. And you know this unanimous AC led by Chief Justice Anime Aboa, the man who is retiring with the $5 million bribe scandal.
I want to see the
American and said the man who is retiring with the $5 million scandal. I'm not saying now a lawyer from Ashanti region indicted so $5 million bribe. What has happened to that case? A different case na kwakwe nothing. O my ne kululu sa nipa no kwapo no person ko revoking the license for coming out to speak the truth.
And Jesus sa no ma we nya wo ho a ade na eba back and forth no isi na ntumi ama bontina ma mekase.
Who is the leader of the EC?
Mami Jane Emensa,
a known party card bearing member of the NPP. And we think that the NPP is using a clandestine way. Getting rid of NDC 4 numbers. And Nippon also one our man on their quenya to contest.
And I'm saying one number
the suit was against the EC, the Justice Person and the EC. One is standing in for the EC, the Attorney General. The Attorney General who is supposed to even defend the clients, they were seen in court could not teaming up with the individual. No, there are some court,
Nymphan
to go against Judge Christian. So these things are not new. When you are in Yama, it's so bizarre. I didn't know. After realizing this is what is going on, the grand scheme to do this kind of thing, and posterity will always judge them for what they have done, because a wickedness and this government are engaging in by trying to get rid of someone or duly and legitimately elected as the MP. But come what may. We are learning from the lawyers. Professor Kwakwaz Asare, said something. In the write-up, we have been reading it, and not him alone. Kofi Bentel, have said this similar, have shared similar sentiment with Professor Kwakwaz. And in a country where a legal, your friend is a civil right lawyer, a supposed civil right lawyer, a president, na yebu maraso, na yetieti maraso there. No one will say that country has a long way to go.
Yes, say a sin of a swing constituency. One cannot claim ownership. Say, said ye na kunawudi MPP beka say you womudia. ahomwa be na mode ko get crazy wo besa ko bi o
yes
criminal case bi wo waiting
criminal case no until say government will cruelly again initiate that process no meaning how I'm just choosing my words carefully. I don't know the status of that case, whether it has been dealt with, but I don't know it has been dealt with. That's why I stand to be corrected. But
near Basadia, young fans say, assuming without meeting, you knew said the Wokano. Any idea Namonfa or before from Kumu?
And no, the party's decisions, plans, and tactics are used.
Okay.
We are not. It's not everything that we discuss in the public domain.
Okay.
You're discussing or nipam and abonting. Some things are meant to be discussed indoors.
Okay.
And some strategies are meant to be taken indoors. And now we're executing or outside.
Okay.
Now I bring it up with perfection. But you don't come and discuss everything that you are going to do as a political party outside just to satisfy who. You are just giving yourself out for an attack and for a possible
ambush.
Yes. We are not honestly going to state our
then I'm would say as enough when this between NDC
NDC very in city and the margin will even be massive.
Say by 2000 margin in the
elections as enough now almost 3,500 because
MPP first one be to me within their realms
no the $600 million no IMF their mind hit it hit you no muko chebi e okumawu mi nyabotre
mi nya dia bote
muko chebi okumawu wow sister stations report they were sharing money.
No, if they were selling money. No, IMF
share all those things at their own stronghold. They been seen a bema me fear me nim say me fear. Na me ba be wuram na me tua bribe actually.
Ansani ya me wuram.
E no me kire say my bibi bone. It is omo nim say ka o ma yes ka o ye ni ya ka woni me dey. Wonim te. It ka omo ye ni ya ka omo kwa awe no kumawu no. Can they go there with their chest high? No more boasty. Say they no yet they are babaje. But they went and knelt and begged the person. But the people catch them say, Bonnie be omo dey omo be omo vancho no omo to abamo na going forward they will correct their mistakes.
And those are sent off from chest catch said you
they will pay more than what they paid in we ever kumawu.
And yes
overnight roast no. Listen, the good people of Ghana are very discerning, very enlightened. Who is a Ghanaian, I prefer lies over truth. They voted massively for Jachi Kwesi, knowing very well so make my baby Jumano. And now only so they are with them, Timodesem, Akakabesem, and I want use to the court to deprive Nipano from say or the parliamentary duties for over 1 year. The pain is in them. Yawunu omumu. Omanya representation for 1 year. And you think they will make omo with them more. And I'm moving to Ghana for your ready because of
and a fire.
Kumawu, wow, Tinahaka, I said Kumawu, a stronghold.
Oh, yeah.
One okay. But look at in terms of vote appreciation, with all the money sharing. Sika omo cheye, emu omo cheye, entoma omo cheye, rallies omo koyeye. President ni na chini for obia they bast everybody to Kumawu. Vote is no munyaka 304. And natural say the good people of Ghana are
okay.
And say na this nyae 1273. Irrespective of our poor performance last elections. And no one should tell you say Ghanaians are very discerning and they are not going to fall for the MPP's tricks, lies. Any actor, any akochisem na omoye no. Ukowa asin of and overnight projects koso. They are doing everything they can. But I'm telling you, you go and come and sit here. You never be discussing.
again in the by-election and how the good people of
Uyam ayekro anase emu kekaw uhia amuzuke uyam tutu anase emu samfono uhia amuzuke wayase ye woya anase wo afichikro mu haw uhia amuzuke heba mixture ebi wo heba shop bia mu frɛ 0247 776743
He wants. What's the wedding is it? Oh, you butankasa. Wakaka.
Messi. Lufat na wajima were you?
Hey, malaria drew Lufat. To my wedding, were you hospital?
Sister, where I imagine there. Few hours to my wedding. I know Mrs. Minkata was Mikunia. My husband is sick.
Hey, Jamo Tonodo. Never seen
what's the water test positive for malaria?
No, never seen one for ambulance. No one.
Ambulance. It's not a bicycle.
No, that's it from Kakabo.
No, kick. Many wedding gonna me make up sometimes.
That's right.
Nearest pharmacy. So one meji Lufat.
Entrance pharmaceuticals for one malaria druna.
Inyo. No ye na wanter. Mukuno china nenadi. A brand pa.
No kuniso. No pona waka that you may kiss the bride. If you want to show day.
No, donna. Man, no, you don't know.
Indeed, malaria and come to them. Lufat. A malaria drop test for malaria before treatment. FDA ashesha ejede inkratoi ajatum se eye.
Abi national lande afeya beja cash na bedwa afei na madwuma no be koso ankasa bema na wo inflation achieve what to say photos no anyway ni agi saaro ade we do to bi ana masa choko ya wo hia sia ne Abi national unia abi dien ani eye Abi national sikakrabia foforo wode oboso obia hwe wo mo won hyehyeye papa ebeso wo ha nyina no na botre wo boni ahohare a wode ye adwuma no masa wani beji keke enti for me Abi national for you omo we adum kejeti ha ya woni ajakum dan ne na di ntwani mu chale na odi mrika kwa he only me how do you know my problem enti ko Abi national kwabata bi e ben wonne na hunu sikakrabia mu sompa se wo nsembise bi a frɛyensesi a e wo 0322 002 922 Abi national wasom dwesafo a e wo sikakra mu
Ayo radi yayo mimudi abo ne bi kunu enku sen enye me kunu anka no pe me shawo damage bi papa kofa be si ha manu bi enkode nyina num bi anle we nyina ko woda so bo wa so di nti wo se dem enti to Bingo Pharmaceuticals cough syrup power dia bai enti wonti ye wo cough baby enkodan toto fewa ebro wo mo ebra wo bo wa na cough child na so de enkodan enyu no ebro wo mo wo mbu hyehyɛ wo mu a esie etu asie kura na cough adult de empanifo de no na cough family wo padudu etu akoto Bingo Pharmaceuticals se wonam cough nansa na wo ho antowo a ko hu doctor cough syrup sadia meri adu ho dansie de masuru se
FDA surgery inquire mu ajatum say ye
anti pharmacist me fiefo nyina tipa wom na nsonso ye wom kakra ne se me yiri tipa ye no kata ne hwene nyina asisi me ba no nso ho na mre waye se boho na me die asmani tutu agufom e de asoro ben bia be ja me so a edwa me ga na wonhwe me fie de hodi no na me yiri nso fie de e yedwetwam nti we se
101.9
emfiri ba bia de a na ni aduro bai
David ora tipa ye de wabadwuma mu se pharmacist no me hu bia enti to boase o wife tipa ye na ase kata aka ho good eno obehia entramodi ana wo so baneti pa ye nso amana ye mre okay eno obehia entramol ankasa ana wo de no nso wo se edwa ga all right that is tension headache or migraine okay wo obehia entramol plus with the na no fiefo nom no se de matrama wo no pepepe
Entramol D ni Entramol plus no enyagro etu tipa yasi de kude nti se ubetna ho na etia pa wo de a ene wa wasa wo
FBI hwɛ sɛ adwadie nkratu agya tum sɛ ɛyɛ
abusuafo ya damase sama tweye na yaje adwadie nkrato aya je nkwa wazo 1.9 make us is to me life Facebook page Ajenkwa FM Kumasi 101.9 Ajenkwa FM Kumasi 101.9 YouTube Ajenkwa FM Live YouTube Ajenkwa FM Live Wahab Yenhwe okujeto abrakwa alopena mi bisa se okujeto pe no pa asem anase bia wo pega na yie nti no ma bia wo gidi se beko bone etia yo esika semu no na wo ka ho asem eni nsem wo akofa ba se 58.14 million dollars zikano afri wo mani sika mu akowura ye fa say cathedral mu a cathedral so baby esi anisi we afufra wasa dia ba behwimu okuja to person chese
mini abi before me call ma min kan
wonim ke obi ana
no dey medru ma min clear for ma bi wa se kakra is he to create an impression so
Ajenkwa FM 101.9
omuni adwene omu ye remote control onumu ni mrano so they are just seated there that any government of the day they bid and omoya
okay
it's quite embarrassing there is a precedent regardless of perhaps the cases might be different right but your court no you the degree and I said the caliber of lawyers are more defending ni pakro. Today some of them are even Supreme Court judges.
Okay.
But we call High Court could defend a similar case and lost. Must they turn around and say that the government or the deal was bent on jailing him because that same seat
Ajenkwa FM 101.9
a minister in the NDC in the person of Ayarga was flawed. What must say? And the pain in a share will be a cheap cattle farmer. And I firm from China too. So must we say the government of the day was doing the bid for a minister who has lost the seat.
Okay.
Let's be measured in whatever we are saying. Two. Sir, medical electoral commission. Say I have me documents intact. Me need criminal record. Me need we. Na me diaba. Abe ma electoral commission. Based on the media ma electoral commission no onoje or the ayen ejuma na was all there. At the most second day time or the nkrata koma electoral commission. The same electoral commission was there. Omoji ye the ye. It took a cattle farmer to realize that there is something fishy. This time around, this is not MPP. It took somebody in the same assembly to take the case to court. It's as simple as ABCD.
Okay.
The law, no, and sir, there is
not just a metu asia. He's in there, no what the
baby.
And I will say, open member of parliament on a certain constituency.
Yes.
Enti no documents.
Any what document? No.
Okay.
Who call court? No, the same documents are in your hand. Someone from man. Oh, you duplicating the man. And original issue say meboa. You went with the same document in court. And a judge in the catcher will say, Masa, yes, me tum. But as at the time now, all filing, the process now all filing. I need a process and your event.
Okay.
Time now all file says all filing at the Adenino. Document na you know and you're correct. Original subu say unka. So how do you come and put it? Is a known MPP card bearing member. No, facts are facts. When you are able to prove your case, you are gone.
Okay.
There are instances, a government of the day, a court case with an individual were flawed. There was a year, the entire country, assemblyman election. Okay. An ordinary fisherman. Say a kwanya easy, edene fast no. Ono onye onyintum. Through the help of his lawyer, now the deputy majority leader in parliament.
Okay.
Alexander Afenyoman case. The entire election, assembly election in Ghana was taking
withhold.
Mm-hmm. He went to court, won the case, and went ahead to win the election.
Okay.
So if you have a fine case, you have a fine case. Meandering, it doesn't make any. Yeah.
Okay.
Sometimes I find it difficult to see where we are put. Me person may very political, but we are political students and we are learning. We are now beginning to know that so American konya obabe contest here and our London konya uska obabe contest. Make sure say we are encouraging. If you are nursing that idea. And it's about time political parties. So be free now, bro. Zoom. Why is it that the people of NDC in NDC in Swami constituency voted for their own? They voted because the guy has not been active in the system. And he's an active guy in the system.
Okay.
So free bro. You were here ranting, saying that this is a party guy. The other guy is a party guy. But because he's not in line with the system for a while, you were calling for.
Okay.
And what? So it's about time you advise your party. Say, look, this hula baloo, this pull and push, this court and whatever. It's about time as a party. Obi free na bro chireba, eden sika ba. So oba be bulldozing the way through. We set him up and ask him to prove all documents that shows that he does not hold dual citizenship. The party should correspond.
So the
party should correspond with the necessary offices in the country that are free to make sure say yes, as a party we have genuine documents there. This guy is qualified to contest before just pushing him in. So perhaps our faulty documents.
Okay.
And when he wins, a Ghanaian have the right to go to court.
Okay.
And the court have the right to listen to him. For him to make his argument, if the arguments are reasonable and in line with the law,
okay,
what am I say? Then the action will be taken. And let me tell you, every rule in BIA, we have a dissenting view.
Okay, yeah,
in the Supreme Court,
yeah,
in 2012,
Atuguba dissenting,
way dissenting.
Okay.
Even with the final judgment, some judges dissented on certain issues.
Okay,
but the majority carried the day. So what?
Okay.
Well, this guy is not a lawyer. He's not a judge. Being a lawyer is different from being a judge.
Okay.
Being a lawyer is different from being a judge. So let's get it clear.
Okay.
Onuya, I don't know what Yenuya Okujutu Ablakwa is seeking to get. It's good.
The first one so man confess.
But sir, he who calls for equity must
come with the clean hands. Okay.
Now, I like a young politician who is striving to bring certain hidden things who he thinks are fishy and are detrimental to the state. But in doing so, no, it was a why in person, no, or backyard, no, ABCC, you could not come out with those documents to us. And let me tell you, there were so many things, including on one Kasane dear. The say Ukrunga, no, then the car called Washing B. The TIS 25,000 Ghana CD.
I love okay.
And a driver, Derek Kuma, a call police station, I didn't go to. We were in this same country, get fun, be involved in Mukakra. We were in the same country. A young man, or school, being appointed as deputy information minister, or Kawari or a brand saying, wow. Or so empty plane, Makuma, helicopters, Makuma, and I say, plane, no, Ediko, so Quaco.
Okuja to so unfairly plane down.
Oh, sir, overcatcher or some fan coy. He would deny. And now when I actually told you why she will be so wakoto chinchangane kebab so ka se won ye. Yes, what the obakwa chan give or say fan coy. Now when abokro no ayaka chen so my border.
Debi.
You already deny.
Obeka so obeka say we nemkwa. We were in this country now. Kujuto was a minister and a certain former president B. Koye STS Korea deal. Certain president, former president John Dramani Mahama, now a vice president. Now, according to late Mills,
ne press and a State of the Nation address, and then at a certain press conference, Bakon said the Vice President is in Korea to nail the coffin, on one. What am I saying? And I'll say the event saying whole STS Korea deal no Vice President in Simona so there was a deal. Say if it was agreements now set no yen as the nation called Ghana you fulfill your obligations the Korea counterparts no pull it out because of boardroom because of a boardroom wrangling pull it out now as a nation now you kwanya say you prosecute you take you on now you investigate you more. In the end, no, you could be a seer no. Young Korea, say me call one zam ho. Say me call Koyamadi. Dear. Nasa me one zam so meet me. Family cap so me also me the bar also. Young Korea, ye 300 million United States dollars. Let me say 200. 300. Okay. Kujoto was in this country. At least you should have started that point. Now, or educate here, Eddie Baho, Sasikawi, Nanka, and Iskawi. He did not say anything. And one can know the no, and that's what one can know the na. May say, sir, wow, and some catchers say, Professor Lumumba say, you don't invite a hyena on how to preserve a goat. Okay. Automatically, and you know, the messenger, no, the fighter, and now person what you say, or your gun and need mappa or fight, no, may chira on any backyard, near on one casa no comb, on one casa involvement, and then near Nabreso, a sea, any other day. He could have started, and he say, or shall see from that angle, no, not of fire, and Kaibai as young and patriotic Ghanaians, I tell you, this guy has a track record. Kujoto even his government crumple and fanchomu, then we be people like us will be behind him and be pushing him. Yodium, caught your data which what am I saying? But IS on one casa, we would not talk about the JIDA scandal, the as on Taba, the Airbus, the bus branding, the smarty issue, no, the Airbus. But 190 wine plane near Akosonino. We would have expected him to also put more issues on what I say Martin BK Amidou and Meki. See, some people in issues, when people like Martin BK Amidou is speaking on an issue, you see that we find it a very problematic to talk because Martin has a track record of even as an attorney general, they fight against his own government on the payment of 51 million to Wyoming for job no done. What am I saying? He fought his own party for that. So it became problematic. Okay, Tamana Martin Amidou was to be giving this OSP issue. The people of most MPP guys were not comfortable because this guy is no nonsense man. What am I saying? Okay. Let me tell you one funny thing. Now say not all can NDC abreast that they were not in agreement. Why was he dismissed as an attorney general? Okay. Why? They don't know if there was a friction between. Or no could you talk black horse and why a troll letter be man and say on trace can so about them. Me ban cramp on the way pay. Me back it to a company in the same. Now I want to be instructing me on what to do. What am I saying? So the but Aku do not have that track. It is from no. One thing I'm better what he has and he said. At least some of the monies. I say 22 point something. We've heard from him. I say contractor actually or no abaninche. Yeah. So we are waiting. Okay. Ebia. Not government well we do not tell you say sikani na you release the amount contractor no. Sikani be about 50 something. Actual ni e demand ni na ni aka no so e wa ha. And I said way. And we are also waiting. Oku should come again and try to In fact, he's just beating about the bush.
Okay, or beating about the bush. Sita.
Mr. Bishop, Adianaba. Sometimes they're very sad when you listen to our brothers in the NPP speak about issues which they they should have had the courage and the balls to condemn. But they are kind in a nutshell, he's just confirming the tigri, the wagadre, the chrono, the dream, the ketaseshe, the proye, that is what he's confirming. Because see now say nye na say esi ne na wo so ka ho asem na obi ka ho asem na o ka say ade ni see no 101.9 what it means ne say whatever he's saying is true na but any can so can simply because e be see enura and the confirmation also goes a long way to confirm how useless his government has been. Very useless government, because if for 6 to 7 years you have been in power na STL deal issues at the whole ubetima prosecute one team prosecutor we a very useless government and you can compose we a kasakra power ultimate can be and this lies about the kujeto chata plane empty plane and no doesn't solve the situation for me okujeto say sika $50-something million no you spend or say $22 million in one call into actual construction. The rest no went into consumption, which you should be worried as a Ghanaian. It was a whatever. But mbetna and a STL deal and a Jida Sada and Jida. Have you forgotten to say Abuga Pele and I prison because of John Dramani Mama and one the prosecutor more because of those deals. And no couple, what nexus does it have with these issues I discussing? What nexus? It's in the fact that BBC and NRA and on a chance say see now essence my ban president ya wagadre government vice president ya wagadre finance minister ya wagadre intino it's ye can any plan to be account because ABC now no be. What kind of logic is that? Some logic we couple dey free. Then PP sometimes they baffle me. Ghana for crampon tin near Massey. Ghana for business yet to abamau on the basis of say Obekasa Sanyamana course on ye. It is a what by moi. We don't expect you to repeat same in a higher magnitude. Okay. Chrono. In every sphere of our life, what boy a chrono? What got drift for? What is 58 million? So kwakosi aban na ukwakosi National Cathedral nyame dan eno no so kwapa wasa boy krono wo ho na nipa no on earth the krono awaba is say wo be bo nsema no we say o ware no sika ode ko no e usika e aban sika this logic I don't understand the logic of the NPP. It is obi ko washing bay nani sika 25,000 yira on the because of some minister into ya money pie. You see their logic. Omu behave as if say sometimes you don't understand the NPP. It will be akọ ya wi anisika money pie simply because or a deputy minister and all kind of PA ministry or free school man or babe minister ministers bebre o ma ban one gain bebre nya adwumada from school no be join politics same ugo ya adwumada onye on head ai national lottery nana bi o wie akọ law firm be no practice here and so on that board so we can count many. Eti enu no dia yemfa nya argument. Munya argument papa bia ya mumiama no. Mumiama no. Na $58 million no. Minu mienu taxpayers money. And abana wia ne sa no. Awasa say no. Ye kan. He says some benya the boss. Some betimi I you are sitting here saying ABC is our time no and now ABC mama time for 6 to 7 years you have all the state apparatus under you. That's the BBC in 8 years time 8 years ago. Now when to mean prosecutor you are a very useless government. I won't mince words on it. Now start here be the chapter of lamentation and equalization. I Ghana for you interested in. I didn't want just uncle for no. We should be celebrating and saluting Samuel Okudzeto for unearthing the rot, Kronoa, Ekoso, in the name of God. Mu yusu nyame din de boya Krono. Debi America, Mr. This government, exception of Wahab, and some few guys they are naturally born bad. Naturally born bad. Everything about them is bad. Krono nya kwampo no a support Krono. Nippon say, Mom, you used to sika to the tune of 58 million. But 22 million per and actual construction. When you're worried. David Ajayan Kwansika, Tuyama, Kwapo, Ene, the Ako, Manana Yatunu Epe. And he says, Mobe Nyatsema, Ghana for, Ghana for Kaya Pamacho, Yana say mine. Do a mine is ya no, a monfire bonnet in chair, near my be Mobets Naha, and as Samuel Okudzeto has, he doesn't have that credibility. Samuel Okudzeto has never been indicted on any corrupt activity. If there is any, you can prove it. He has never been indicted by any court or whatsoever. So he has engaged in any corrupt activities. Ebisida.
Ajinkwa FM.
Are they infallible?
Listen, he's human. The only person who is not infallible. But I'm throwing a challenge. Okay. Me say, if there is any,
okay,
any indictment on Samuel Okudzeto. I didn't court kasi we sika bi o ha why say bi o ha they should provide it.
No one could them. Okay.
So all this rationalization, equalization are pedestrian and warp logic. It doesn't add up. Uvi say anopai tiefo na omu tie no. Omo mba be send text messages. Omo mo hwe free amanone. Are they interested in the CEO 2018 2018 ayana and you tell mo to abama mo say oba be correct niam oba ya wan correct niam no o sa eba be use eno no as a justification for the rot no wa engage in no. What kind of life is that? And they be see me that be
uzi form no.
Lastly, the issue about Abu Sakande case no any Jachi case in there no. Cases which went to court, but they are very different cases. Abu Sakande was holding dual citizenship. As at the time, Kwapa or contesting winning here. Jachi Kresen renounced the dual citizenship before he contested and showed the certificate to the EC. And me, I was say, he was challenged. I was sent off by an MPP people, and taking all the certificate at the choir, and the EC look into it, saw the merit in his case. And 1.9. So the cases are totally different.
Why are we here?
We are here because of government involvement, government connivance with the Supreme Court. Or say, in some cases, there are dissenting views. Fantastic. But in this case, it was a unanimous decision.
Okay.
Because a unanimous LC, which was appointed by the president, is spearheading the attack. The man who are retired with the $5 million bribe. Or say the American or Hana, see they don't have me patches or munyajene, me cast or munyajene, but me patcher almost say sometimes some of their decisions must conform with common sense and logic. Because law is twice on common sense and logic.
The law is not crafted in a vacuum.
Ajinkwa FM 101.9.
Yes, sir. Mokamubu baby, Musi Senipana Jimmy Crab no. But I
say, Dokuna, a 2 hours here, they will be any say, Abe, Abe.
Entino say, Obi ma reason. Debentina mama ruling on Jachi Christian case. Not till date. Omonfa ruling number out. Afenyo markets from their own camp. Krapo Kase, the ruling has kept long. It's supposed to be here. Nakamanhu, the reasons behind court, disapproval of say Nippon Timingina, just say free court or free parliament or till date am I. That should tell you how fishy this government is. Mr. This government will go down in the history as the worst government ever. And when Mr. President Akufo-Addo a letter, Akwa easy for asking them of their curriculum vitae. Since when did government interfere in the work of the EC? Okay, a very bogus government.
Yankwa Homano Sona, Yani Ghana for everything. Yankwa Homano Sona, Yani Ghana for just a minute. Is
it me? One thing is certain. Say a Kase right now. Or say he sits here and says vice president has there been any court that has proven that the vice president is a thief?
Okay.
You sit here to lambast him. ODD president in terms is here. Say yamfa a yimra. Now you cannot prove one. What must say? But let's also look at it this way. In court, it is common sense that menewo, right? Yentimi. You know, it is not acceptable. But as it stands now, if you go and look at the 1992 Constitution, there are articles that as I say, could be present in the right room. Okay, say man or so and this one then a lie. Now, so for common sense and your common sense is how they will enfa. Mammy for side you will find court. With the articles in the Constitution, what am I saying? You lose the case.
Okay.
Common sense doesn't work there. We talk about the law.
Okay.
The law says that to become somebody to become a parliamentary candidate is through a process. And that process now often from the beginning, the timing
okay.
Judge Kwesi was in court. The same document he was able to convince the Supreme EC to allow him to go. We're with him.
Okay.
And he was in court. Massa, finally no. If it is wrong yesterday, it is wrong today. And you who is now claiming that it is wrong today, you were part of that bogus government. And you still support that bogus person that led you and created that mess.
0204
1 minute.
1 minute.
Sometimes it's good as a communicator to humbly accept to say you erred than to continue on a tangent of lies and insinuations and insult. There is nothing in our constitution, no clause in our constitution that supports homosexuality. Constitution frown on natural carnal knowledge. So what use and no common sensically. Chira say Sanyamano and common sense. If you Adiano and by force such defending the
I don't know what chess will be. I don't know what chess will be so bad challenges. Human rights is
I kept quiet. Oh, Nipana or challenges and human rights decision doesn't make it common sense.
Yeah, 0204 905 655 05 96 24 89 59. But I would be any baby or cassa free at Wadaruma. I'll pay now. Young quiet, you would do baby or cassa free. Hello,
Diana.
I know.
Diana, Simono. And I say no. Yes, you have a fire for some memory. She's up with some Jim Crow, on some sort of Ghana for. Diana, you comment some sort of Mapunya, with a massapa. And I'm not being a buy a lesson. I have a corner when fans to suicide way. Now, if I tell MPP from Tomoka, Omo kwaje sa sisi na ka omo de.
Amuso omo kwaje afi mu nsam.
Emo pa akofo mu no omo sele o. Ei. Wata na se na o pa se ne mrimpa wo ho no mo a. Obeka so to abade ama MPP se be di ba election. O ka se yi akwan ya akwan be wa ye o. E kan be ye ne people suicide o. So ko e kwan be pa na mo ya e ti e nwan ti ye meto ba election. Anu tam bo pa ka se constitution no. Won qualify so ojira ye no na mo nya no abeka mo ene anu nti ambobo kagu mo me aka kire o mo say mo discane ba o mo nyindi ba o mo ntunti amo na next year asem no mo hu say mo ba akwa mo ama ye hwe
enu ne be ba che wudi ene ba bi aka sa free wada ma
o tumfu na nkopon na so ngen kama no pe
onyame akwa kofi bu ache se so ade ja na obutu aso ngen bi nka
ya akoko be se dia na nya akro ma fe no kwa se me sa buy radio yenka so tawo ko dia America no wayi e ba pa dia abai na yebi ukuru ha e mom ye beka se ya kana abai na hwe no mpa so so mai na sanya no aka ye no omo ma tesi fo no ma yewu aha ti ba di se so de ja pan sei
enye so ye ko santasia play enye kura wo ma fo hu na mane
o we no kure be sa pa na no wo mo ye ba te sia na bia do na so ko ani afre ya bai no se
ko video go ko wo tia so ko ye kura che
ela me quer dizer que we ma ko faço media no monge but se aso astopo a mitimi nkase o so awoye but so astopo ani afra ba ni se na dawroba e bi na me quer dizer so ade ja kwanti akwan ni wo ba keka no ko se ma ba na ya kwan but most of them no Ghana have problems with their kwan nanso MPP ana ba o mu ye nyuma nto ba ye e bi na ye kase you will ankoje trematin the next candidate our family be ko bo sa no so no ono saba then people for delegates wina and the next affair for you ba be yuma if you say young people start no I ba yuma resources I would want e bi woni mu and alan I say o man pay that for 4 star no so e bi woni mu enti Ghana for enko akuma nto ye na yem fa na nkoje kire matin e bre me di anim e da say
Yaso yarwa se bache udi ba bi agasa free wadaroma.
Good morning.
Good morning shehu yarwa.
But what from this?
Akwa me ho ye na wo so e.
It's no ya pa on your picture on your picture. The active vice president. When you say your vice president there 5. Obi no active person Mahmoud Bawumia. Because so mobile money in probability. Probability or active. And then secondly research ya Munaf Ibrahim only a three baba so as constituency some odiro kokopia otio education minister sutio king ya kan say e bia na ba Anglo Gold Ashanti se me go vra mu office de bia mu studio ono na ma famu mic na mu kasa wo so nyina na mi di pie na mu chimi so mu be atimi as criminal ana mi bo e bia na ba e din komu ana mi bo
no
e bia na ba Anglo Gold Ashanti we are illegal mining. So we are complaining. I didn't know we were over I could go via an idea almost 65 feet. Pierre from Raquanso on the Soviet P. Pierre from Raquanso, the baby on fire and all get only say in your contract. Let me say, no, but this year, I could go via an idea on the Soviet P. Ya prosecution. If I said, so we pay suicide. And suicide, because it's a fight and then technically, Mahama, on your alternative to Ghanaian problem. Because now alternative, now Ghana phone to about 1%.
Yarase, if I say, would you maybe a gas free Wadaroma?
Abdaroma, the family junior, Baumia,
Manso, and to accommodate the second
wouldn't me, I'm a giving excellency. The Vice President of the Republic, Dr. Alhaji Mamu Muhammad Sidin Tatiana Paunia Mamenchia, Una for the Codian Cancer. Take to me, education minister, you were there, and you were Chamagana, and the team man said, oh, sir, and if you know to answer my welcome, and soon be a worker be a Ghana no Ancasano, Ubiana Kabu. That's it. Na ferko a question kimi se Ghana hano na emre ni yana chama kuja se be jamo ma indisi na say on chance because emre ma ne kwai no 2020 and I say but a paper to zero e de man wuro and say no do acquire the by-election so the one in the 2 hour ever 2016 get a seat new and a 2020 and no one 2020 2023 what I say come say kind of for say another people for my pass was also and go you are sell for no strong the first strong and the no come on about talk about NPP I think that move upon us the main shaman that say
ya so ya da wase be fache udi ba bia kasa free wadaroma
Adana ba
Solomon achiasi wase
Solomon eh abai mamo woni abaga foni na abaso na atiante wa assembly na afon kon atatu na me do na me fo konye so mfancha Europe de kwadwom kansa amanse west ensoroma dodo na bani yentimi atame member wo ho ke adwuma wabɔ na omjidi so musuman mashebe jo ma babu amapa menchia no na the vice president of public his excellency Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia MPP ene Ghana ene da so a obedi party na menchia no na dia na bakaka meka ne se wo hwe ase no fa mamemo MPP mpanifo abaso wo just regional executive national executive no wo hwe ti say omde gu afam nka enhye omde gu afam a ye ko kumawu afaje kumaju ye ko ye tete no omofa ne manwa kwam wo hwe en na anpai videos a yenya efi ase no fa ekese abawe wa hweduma fe wo ho a ayade enkofo no mo no ana kumanfo mo no ambo mo dia to aba e de mind be party na peni party mo kasa o ne ba ani de ne papa ti ase no o ti ase o mo to aba no pa ma MPP candidate na ide be gina no na nyuma pa pa na cha ase no o mo dia na yen ko to anta abawe achi abawe ne si hye ne nyama wo ye no ayade e bo Ghana o hwa yinya mo to mo ko di se me e wo obo ase ne bete mo na abawe ya o se aguso 2020 election kwa body ne ti e to what I say, what I say, maybe I you took them to you. I come in you two votes because I buy a bomb and to reach us here. No political party talk with them, baby. I can say Mumba almost get check Galantin and I'm a month or two. They say, dear, saying you're not going to say, you have someone what as an answer. Oh, them lie, they burn you. That's all the same inside us. I will know home. You ever tell them what? And you think I'm home, them lie, my problem, no one.
Mo baby adimra edi wo mo baba che udin baby akasa fe last call
your friend is academic Andrew Jankuba
oh sak yenti we
yo maminchia chama wadeno kokopia maminchia Dr. Sawado nko tafumpa na ikazipana de Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia mikadegitana na kakra mepesa mekanyina nize oshe agugoda ezia dia bosu bodie kesima Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia na na Zanko Kupatu. Paul Sandro da Santi ni to say union movie e kope e fumo gudie we. Yunya former president mama no be country obo punso ni be country say onko wonhwe wonye na se de oboase man and oboase na mpatam benya adwuma e sanse wo na adwuma no ne boa. O small kind say Andrew Gold Asante there the Tiasia could do the movie one to the Grania do and making the not Danko Kupado you about Miada Roma by year among the good Asante Yemona Paso and I can't say Union Massa. You say a treasure or running treasure blue hako to Nobotomo. You say what didn't now find so many in another pate. Palm Fasol, Mumpa may get in the mirror. Now, there's a say, Nana Marani Mudi and Jam was a jam. Someone said, "Puma now to show now wrong kind of Mopara."
Oh, yes, we had a say, yes, so family engagement and yet you and young call Facebook also now on for drink chair by and young can be a farmer one pay way. I could see a taxi driver at the Port Junction, Santasi taxi rank and was say Ghana, owns no memoir dinner. No memoir than in Chess and DC for and I'm Lamedy so. Sanfon so de magana fo anyibiu na Alan Kojoche Martin onkwane Ghana ni daso we Malam Sidi Bese good morning wo hye no mayemo ene adwuma anopai baba awenkangwa salufu ajambole wi amoase no se MPP ene Nana Danko Akufo-Addo ene Bawumia ene no danche a wona obeba be di MPP abekani animu nya wonu nya ye pe obi animu abebia mahama beba future constitution we are more say no 2024 enyuma pa MPP abaye ntino ebe se Olympics game no ebe simple kra e de ama NPP amekuno Crespo fufuo ene wodi fra wodi aba na se ono kaya kwan ene akwanhia esi wo so Pedro wa Madina Cruz so he free tano so Kesben Junction wasi yemu ene adwuma wodi fire emoji na ba wose mo fire Amiscos Pelele kaswa ene wose ba womia nkunu mi de na asase enra akofa no forms na saasem kro ya na teacher kudwo tepenya susu wonso kan biye na oyibo boati nile be hisse se MPP aban entumi anya so am interchange KJT phase 2 dia 2024 abano mpombe bintina na asanteman toma wo mu bio ne dia ono so ede aba eno no ma me nko WhatsApp na WhatsApp so dia aba yenyi bi efri ho we aye patriotic voices go so and was say ehunabo brim super competent most active most hardworking ba wo mi asem no na ya kana ya man akulisa no ayade na we aye a champion Kawaguchi Electricals and was wo 2 NDC for say ma wo mfa je chikwesi enkobio na a champion okay futu na wade ama wo Robbie Fashion de chem so and was say ba wo mi a committed so be gane yi amoni fitas amankese and was say was so ka DCC wo yakwan so say nya hweye pa mi wa hab akwa Ghana for akasa ye ko de na dijai
Ediana me say in say ye shase say ye yes our propaganda say ye the LGBTQ lobby eba you realize say ye shase na some academians be edit statements we buy our punchy holes into your 1992 constitution no. It is not explicit anywhere in the 1992 constitution, and I stand to be corrected. So in himself attitude, any article in the constitution I can't say, unlawful. I have not seen it. Okay. The constitution, but they were argued based on the a friend saying human right. So the point I am making is say today, we have a very useless parliament. This is not a government. The law is not being done by the executive, by the parliament. If you what I say is you have a very useless government. No, it's a parliament, and every committee in parliament is involves the minority and what the majority. Okay. But I'm saying, say there is a political show you say young force na salon yam pass it without making amendments into the 1992 constitution. Into Obibia or see yam pass it salon on can say yam amended the articles now the intellectuals and can say yam amended and on the basis on Begina so the Supreme Court. No. So what we do, what it means is that say ya pribe 2 more now say your constitution no your Supreme Court now almost the Supreme Court on you see the first article in the second article 2 in the 1992 constitution eka say emre bia o man yimu ye behye ti asam ni yo emre bia o man yimu ye behye ene the 1992 constitution no ebo bra bia no sabra emra no is considered as what null and void na say ko ban sa na che say nie na South Africa for aye ene etifaso bedani abatros was South Africa for so say na me nu kase mema efa mema emma fa mema was South Africa mu no ebi ya ba be si Ghana ha because the enkoye ne ese efata as to whether say be amended the constitution to plug all the loopholes obi ye pass law no krampo na untimi fa law no enfa kokot said ye kokot krampo na you can for that's right. Okay. That is what we, for me, baby, I met it. Me share no man said no my call. Me catch will say, and I've always advocated. Say, this LBGT, they should use your emotions. Okay. I'm a Muslim. and I've read the South African one.
Okay.
And let now use in court in use law.
My you.
The woman said, WAB has not been following that LGBTQ law. Law has been enacted. It has been drafted. The parliamentary select committee. My pass it on. The Aban. CJ. Your friend saying Attorney General AG. Also no. Your friend be advice or then advice about who before on my drew final stage. The Beba Parliament. I'm on my then. I debate approve till date. The AG is doing a pulling down or activity pulling down syndrome. But then also training I course simply because this government is secretly in agreement with LGBTQ and Uti de Wabu Kano Hypana. Although I know he's a Muslim and he doesn't support homosexuality, gayism and lesbianism, but he's trying to toe his party's lean. I give law, and the law is that parliament, you know. There doesn't need to be an amendment in the 1992 Constitution. The 1992 Constitution frowning on natural canal knowledge.
Okay.
What's it say?
Yeah. I know your sister say do at the end. I know at the bar was saying
on natural canal knowledge. Not
okay. I was here. Sister said because I mind this watching and I have to have because so I did people was who that. I was here. You must see our ha. You for what teaching me. That will be Piara say. One of the far Facebook adventure WhatsApp. One of free ye can ye jawai. One of share man on Ninyano. That will be us and a pain. Koya Miche producer, our best woman, and Apia producer, our boy Juma, Rashid Yakini, the writer, or the Facebook, YouTube, no, so and a pain. Yeah, Kodia, PW Zipra, Opoku Jamra. Oh no.